Yes, Mr. Das. Yes. Yes, Ms. Bono. What is it?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 43, my lord. Order matters. Here is, I am appearing for the sole respondent, my lord. The TCR has already been received, my
We'll
lord.
fix it for admission.
Or hearing also, my lord. In the meantime, I will file affidavit, my lord.
You are for the
Worker, my lord. I
I'm
need
for the
some time, my lord.
petitioner.
I have already taken
any objection? We'll have it for hearing.
after vacation, my lord.
As prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties, comma, raised it to list this matter on, give me a date. After the vacations.
After the vacation, my lord, as per lordship's convenience.
20
Fine.
2/01/2025 for admission hearing. We'll put it for admission hearing.
My lord.
So the Ms. M. Borman, a learned counsel appearing for the respondent, is granted liberty to bring on record the stand of the respondent by way of filing an affidavit on or before
First week of January.
5/1/2025.
26.
The petitioner is at liberty to file his rejoinder thereafter within a period of on or before 22 तारीख को idea 22 को idea on or before 19/1/2026 also.
Deeply observed.
Made, please, Your Lordship. With regard to item number 35, Your Lordship. We have filed an affidavit in reply on 6. Let me be called for, Your Lordship. 35.
It's a matter pertaining to
The transfer of a CBI officer, Your Lordship.
SBI officer.
Yes.
That your father is
But 40% disabled. Yes,
disabled.
Yes, Your Lordship. Policy is in our favor, Your Lordship. The bank policy. Even the
But
government.
everything turned up after the transfer order was it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What do you say on that?
Lordship, we'll file in the, Your Lordship will produce the affidavit in reply, Your Lordship. Let me be called for, Your Lordship. It's on the record, Your Lordship.
Tough.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
It will give us the requisitions.
Yes, Your Lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention item 4. Lordship, in this item, in the connected matters. Lordship,
I'm not. Yeah. List this matter, item number 4. Before any other bench without me. Naam to likh diya.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I beg to mention item 49.
49.
My lord, records were called for, my lord, and an additional affidavit was also supposed to be filed. My lord, I'm praying for some accommodation, my lord. The records have not been received, my lord.
Mr. Kumar,
I am for the petitioner, my lord. I am not.
you have been given the pension
My lord.
from the date of lodging of the first FIR.
My lord.
What more can be done here?
My lord, after the missing of the husband of the petitioner, my lord, they have, while the apprehension roll they have submitted to the nearby police station, my lord. That apprehension.
No, that apprehension note will not be a missing report in terms of the policy.
That, my lord, in apprehension roll, this is in mention that he is missing, my lord. But that apprehension roll had not been annexed in the affidavit. And court of inquiry was also conducted after 30 days. That has also been not annexed in the affidavit.
No, but see, your thing here that they proceeded to dismiss you from service.
My lord.
Now, that would entail complete forfeiture.
My lord.
But after your that civil court declaration of civil death,
My lord.
they had taken up a board of inquiry. Sir Gupta, one aspect here. In the board of inquiry, if you go through the next, it's in the, I think the last towards the end of your affidavit,
My lord.
the date of death declared or accepted by you is the date of missing. Now, if that be so, if you have accepted it as 9/3/1997, 97, then how can she be denied from 97? Policy is there.
My lord.
First FIR. First it was 1 month, then 6 months, then date of the FIR. But you yourself take, because here the date 108, the date will not come.
No.
The presumption.
Yes.
But you have now filled up that gap by saying 97.
Uh,
Just when?
After vacation, my lord, any date.
As prayed for by the Learned Council for the parties, registry to list this matter again after the ensuing winter vacations. Mr. Gupta, H. Gupta, Learned CGC appearing for the respondents shall ensure that the records as called for be produced on or before the or on the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter after the ensuing vacations on a date to be fixed by.
Uh,
But examine this issue. It's
Yes,
interesting
I'll
Deeply acknowledged.
because the judgments that are there have not taken into consideration
Those
such a
aspects.
situation.
and it's
May it please your lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, I beg to mention read petition number 1165 public 2025. This matter, lordship, we want to withdraw, we are seeking for withdrawal because
Senior Muslim.
uh,
Which bench matter?
this is bench for related to bench 4 and 5.
That you will have to go before the senior bench. Okay.
That's
My lord, I want to, this item number 18 has become, 11 has become infructuous. Item 11, 11.
Withdrawal of PSO. Allah. Mr. M. Biswas, a Learned Counsel for the petitioner on instruction submit that the issue involved in the present writ petition, during its pendency, has become infructuous, and accordingly he prays that the writ petition be dismissed as having become infructuous. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Accordingly, the present writ petition stands closed on having become infructuous.
Deeply obliged.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, your lordship.
1-4.
1 for lordship. But the matter may come up after the new vacations, your lord.
You're still on bail. The records are here.
14.
Okay. On the prayer of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
And Gautam, lordship.
and Gautam.
And lordship.
Learned Counsel prays that the Learned Counsel on behalf appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Chaudhary,
8 you are, your lord.
A. Tiwari, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, prays that the present matter be taken up after the ensuing winter vacations. So prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondent. So accordingly, registry to list this matter again after the ensuing winter vacations on a date to be fixed by it. Any interim order? No.
No, my lord, he's only on bill, my lord.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 28. Will file affidavit in reply against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number.
Rejected.
My lord, after 2 weeks may we fix,
Rejected.
but we
Argue.
will file the reply, my lord.
You argue. There is time. Argue. No reply is required.
May it pleases your lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other party, I beg to mention item number 50, lordship. I seek.
5-0.
Yes, lordship. I seek for an adjournment in this matter, lordship, due to personal difficulty of my.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the respondent.
Huh?
I'm
No objection.
No objection, but kindly the date be fixed, lordship.
Huh?
A date be fixed, lordship.
No date will be fixed. Miss
M. Das, lordship.
M. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Pont, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, prays that she be granted. But why adjournment?
Lordship, personal difficulty, lordship.
Submits that the matter be adjourned today in view of the personal inconvenience of the arguing counsel. So prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the NHIDC, Standing Counsel, NHIDC. So accordingly, registry to list this matter again after the ensuing winter vacations.
May I please? I beg to mention on item 51 with the consent of the.
Why? Reply.
Yes.
What is there? Will you
Yeah.
reply? They have filed a very detailed affidavit. Can you improve?
Let me
in that
try.
way?
I cannot, I think, but let me try, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. Mr. B. Purkais, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner prays that he be granted 2 weeks' time to bring on record a response to the affidavit filed by the respondent authorities. So prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. So accordingly, a registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed.
May I please, my lord? I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition, my lord.
Go before the senior bench.
Vice Mill.
Wait, please, my lords. My lords, with the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 17 of today's list, my lords.
17.
My lords, there is some personal difficulty on behalf of my senior, my lords, Mr. I. Chaudhary, to appear before this court, my lords. I pray that the matter may be adjourned for the day, my lords.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary. No, sorry, Mr. I just forgot your name.
Mr. Das Miller.
Das. You are applying the CCS rules in APDCL. Huh? Accordingly, you said that whoever is appointed after 1/1/2014, you will not pay them they'll be under the NPS scheme. Now, there is a clarification given by the central government to that very notification, saying that persons who have been selected, recruited, they will be covered by the old pension scheme if it is before 1/1/2004 and appointed after 1/1/2004. Now, I don't find anything in your pleadings to that effect.
I'll go through it, my lord.
When is Mr. Chaudhary available? Next week?
My lords, after the vacations, my lords.
Or you want it after the vacation? Okay, fine. I was expecting that I'll pass something. Okay. As prayed for by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, registry to list this matter again after the ensuing vacations on a date to be fixed by it. Prayer is not objected, not like after the ensuing vacation.
May I please, your lordship, with consent from the other side, I beg to mention item 23, your lordship. The counsel, Mr. B. Kalita's mother is unwell, your lordship. The matter may be adjourned for it.
Prayer is made on behalf of Mr. B. Kolita, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, for an adjournment in the matter on the ground of personal inconvenience. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again after the ensuing vacations. Done. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary. Yes, Mr. Nath. What are you all waiting for?
Lord, item number 3, my lord.
3. It's come. Oh, that. Yeah.
Lord, here I'll make a prayer for impleading those other parties, my lord.
I'll have to allow that.
Yes.
1983, 83 or 86 Supreme Court.
That is another issue, Lordship. So far as other issue is concerned, this is a gradation list of 2010. And now we are in 2025.
No, but they came up before this court in 2012.
Maybe, Lordship, maybe. But in the
Mr.
meantime,
Chaudhary, what do you say about the
Otherwise on merit.
otherwise on
Yes.
merit? We'll see.
Now, if you also would kindly have the book, my lord.
Yes.
First, my lord will kindly come to C, 14C.
11.
Yes.
14C, my lord. PWD no hai jano.
Hmm.
Sorry, 11-4C.
11-4C.
I'm sorry. 11-4C. Notwithstanding anything contained herein before in this rule, subject to suitability, a subordinate engineer grade 1 of the Assam Subordinate Engineering PWD, on his acquiring academic qualification as prescribed for a direct recruit assistant engineer, shall be promoted as assistant engineer in consultation with the commission as provided for in Rule 14 against the next available vacancy. I'm on this pillar. That means if there is a vacancy, the moment I acquire the degree, my lord, then that becomes my right of consideration. Now please come to 22(3). It speaks of, my lord, seniority rule. 22. 3. A member appointed by promotion against the vacancy occurring in a year shall be senior. Occurring in a year. So these are the two.
Now here the problem arises. There is an overlapping.
Yes,
Although you are promoted against a direct recruitment vacancy.
exactly.
And Mr. Chaudhary, what is troubling me is the whole rule is structured insofar as assistant engineer is concerned into two compartments. One is direct recruitment,
Other is promotion.
promotion. Now, if you are promoted, that is a nomenclature given to that movement of yours. But you are actually in the
A
direct,
promotee.
you are in the direct recruitment cadre stream.
It has to be treated as a direct recruitment.
That's what I'm saying. If it is treated as a direct recruitment, then the whole scenario changes.
Well,
So
what
if
I was trying to.
And one more thing, Mr. Chaudhary, I asked you the other day also. These vacancies under 12,
Otherwise, Rule 11.
no. This. Rule 11, no, direct recruitment, where is direct
Yes.
recruitment here?
Direct recruitment would be.
Ah,
Multi-tapan ki hole na?
6,
Huh?
6, Rule 6.
Subject to sub-rule 3 of Rule 11.
Hmm.
Direct recruitment to the cadre of assistant engineer.
So and so shall be made.
Well,
Now-
there is one dichotomy also, but if it is to be treated as a direct recruitment, then where is the advertisement? Where have I competed with
No,
others?
that's because that is taken care of by Rule 14.
Yes,
Now, if you just, what is troubling me is, before the end of the year,
yes.
assessment of the likely number of vacancies to be filled up by direct recruitment during the next year,
Ah.
and shall intimate the same to the commission together with details.
Yes,
Now, this 6A would entail this exercise to be made in December,
yes.
that the vacancies arising in the next year shall be reserved. Now, if that is reserved for direct recruitment, people have been appointed against those vacancies reserved. Now, yours is an additional vacancy which have
Yes.
come up.
No, my lord, if I am to be treated as a direct recruitment, naturally I'll be down below the person has already given. There is no difficulty.
That's,
But what is troubling me is, my lord, subject to what your lords may say, Rule 22(3).
I got it. For that, we'll have to hold
Yes.
that this is in any manner
Against
a
the
promotion.
vacancy occurring in a year.
Now,
So therefore, my claim would be, my lord, the moment I acquire my degree, and in this case, what had happened, my lord, for 7 months and 18 days after I became eligible, no appointments were made. Subsequently, before our appointment, the private respondents were.
that gray area is there.
That is the only point.
That is the gray area.
But my humble submission is, my lord, I have challenged this provision 22(3) in a division bench.
That is pending.
Because vacancy in a year means people who were not even born in the cadre will get seniority because the vacancy occurred.
Now, your case also, same situation, subject to what you say, arises because the post again is a direct recruitment post. You cannot be said to be born in the cadre.
My lord,
If you are a promotee, you will come
my
through
lord, whether
Rule
it is,
11.
whether it is a direct recruitment or promotion, if on occurring of the vacancy I would have appointed, then I would have ranked because I would have
Now,
appointed
that
earlier.
vacancy, is it a vacancy already reserved
Yes, it
in
is.
addition to the vacancy reserved under 6(3)?
Rule 6 will determine the vacancy qua my lord, promotion.
Hmm.
Because this is the cadre strength, this is the people on board as on date. So and so will be promoted, say from X to Y cadre, and so will retire. Therefore, it is known that as on December, these are the vacancies, and up to 31st December of next year, these are the anticipated vacancies. But this one is not known, my lord.
No, this vacancy
Against
is
which I'll be
either,
recruited.
is
Because
either a
it
direct.
depends upon I acquiring the degree.
No, I got it. You acquiring the decree is a different issue altogether.
Huh.
There has to be a vacancy.
Yes.
It says next available vacancy. Now, this next available vacancy cannot be a promotee vacancy.
No,
It has to be a direct recruitment
course.
vacancy.
of course, my lord.
So if it is a direct recruitment vacancy, then you will be in the direct recruitment stream, not in the promotee stream.
Whatever it is, Milord, if that 7 months, 14 days period is taken care of, I get my seniority.
No, but have you shown somewhere that this vacancy was there
Yes.
immediately after your?
Yes, Milord. I think we have done that. No, directly on the post. Please come to para 15, Milord.
Para 50.
Petitioners state that although the petitioners had submitted their application for promotion in February, it should be 2003, Milord.
Right, we have said that.
And same were forwarded by letter dated 2003 itself. After a long delay of 7 months, 12 days, respondent number 3 issued order dated 18/9/2003 promoting petitioner resident engineer civil. During this period of 7 months and 12 days, respondents have appointed at least 180 assistant engineer R5 to actually it's not
No, no,
allowed.
fine, that
Maybe
is-
that was in contemplation. Resultantly, due to the laches on the part of the respondent, petitioner has been placed below all the aforementioned direct recruit. So my claim is not qua any promoting Milord. My claim is qua the direct recruit.
Direct recruit. And you are also a direct.
Direct recruit.
So if you both are direct recruits,
Yes.
then you will be
No,
from the
and-
date of appointment.
No, yes, from the, that is clear because I am born in the on that day.
Mm.
But if the exercise would have been carried out in the right earnest, in the right time, that's the only point, Milord.
But now
Because my right accrues on acquiring.
Huh.
On acquiring,
the word is qualified on acquiring against
the
the
moment
next.
I acquire, that day itself,
You have
I'm
the right.
eligible.
You have the right. No dispute on that. But against the
Provided,
next.
provided vacancies are there.
Next, but we don't find anything to show
Huh.
that there was a vacancy available.
It was there, Milord. Otherwise, this, how come this?
This
100
is already reserved for direct recruit.
Whatever it is, but in
That
any
is
case,
where you have to
I'll
explain.
cut into Milord direct recruitment quota only.
So one person less would have come in
Yes, from the down below.
down below, but he is inside already.
My humble submission is, Milord. Now, today, Lordship will be deciding only the seniority issue. Now, if your Lordship is to give a strict meaning to on acquiring,
Then you are with you.
yes.
But the next available
No,
vacancy and the
no,
subsequent events.
The rule has to be read in a manner that it becomes workable. Lordship will not give a meaning to the rule which will make the rule unworkable. End of the day, Milord, the rule 14C starts with an non-obstante clause. And if we have to give a meaning to that,
Again, that understanding of that would be that
Yes.
you are taken away, although you have a service, so you will be promotee, but you are taken away from the provisions of Rule 11.
No, Milord, if I am treated as a promotee, same year I become
Enough,
senior,
finished.
no difficulty.
No
So
difficulty.
I am a direct recruit. I am a direct recruit, but my position emerged at a date where you never considered my case. If you would have considered my case, I would have been in. So I think there is an arguable case, Milord. Perhaps Lordship would like to allow me to implead the respondents.
Yes, Mr.
If Lordship
Other
is,
than the challenge,
No,
that
I have-
challenge, although it is 25, the challenge was of 2012. So
Yes.
we cannot ignore that portion.
no,
But what do you have to say on
no, so
merits?
far as my case is concerned, Lordship, just one paragraph, small paragraph. It is well settled. This is Supreme Court. It is well settled that in service matters, the question of seniority should not be reopened in such situations after the lapse of reasonable period because that results in disturbing the settled position, which is not justifiable. That position will always remain. That is there. And secondly, Lordship, there are
that's your
many other.
submission we'll consider, but what about the merits, Mr. 11(4)C, how to go about?
Lordship, two things are there, Lordship. If Lordship comes to 11C, is Lordship
Yes.
hearing this matter? Or if Lordship is permitting them to implement the other?
No, just give me, if
That
I
situation,
I can satisfy
in that
myself on the other issues.
Lordship, in that situation, I would not like to open up.
Mr. K.N. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. N. Deka, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that given the nature of relief sought for by the petitioner in the present proceedings, the persons appointed in the year 2003 by way of direct recruitment to the cadre of assistant engineer is to be brought on, is to be arrayed as party respondents. He submits that although the pleadings made in the present writ petition would reveal that the respondents
280
that it proceeded on the basis that the direct recruits were already impleaded as respondents in the writ petition. However, inadvertently, the first title of the writ petition does not reveal such incorporation of the direct recruits of 2003 as party respondents. He prays that he would file the appropriate application within a period of 1 week from today. Also, prayer is not objected to by Mr. Nayak, Learned Counsel, P. Nayak, Learned Additional Advocate General, appearing for the respondent, submits that he be granted liberty to file his objections to the interlocutory application that would now be filed by the petitioners. Also, in view of the above, registry to list this matter after 2 weeks, along with the interlocutory application that would now be filed by the petitioners in the matter. Also, the matter be not treated as a parted and or tied up matter with this court any further. You file that.
Well, instead of 2 weeks, could your lordship do it in the week commencing from 15? We can be ahead also.
Registry to list this matter
Yes,
again on 15. 15,
Deep.
12, 2025. 2 weeks now. Again.
Deep.
My only prayer would be Lordship has already heard this matter. So Lordship will keep this part.
Well, once this issue comes up, I can.
No, Lordship has extensively heard, in fact. Lordship, on last day, my learned senior colleague has almost completed it.
Very narrow issue. Very narrow point.
An
Whether,
interesting issue.
if it is direct recruit, I have such, it is not there. No court has gone into this.
Yes.
Maybe if it comes back,
I find it very interesting.
Non-obstant that clause will have some bearing on the determination of the issue.
and see if they are promotees against Mr. Chaudhary, what I feel. If they are promotees, they come under Rule 13. But they are here under 14. So now it is a situation like this: direct recruitment, limited departmental competitive examination, promotion. How would a limited departmental promotee and a promotee be considered? Because LCDE can also be considered as a direct recruit. If he is a direct recruit, no seniority.
Lordship, in my understanding, rule is very clear. Very clear, Lordship. I'll satisfy your Lordship.
We'll get to that.
Lordship will keep this part out.
No. Let this come. I'm here on 15. Let it come. If it comes, we'll see.
Lordship. Obliged.
But Mr. Decca filed that application early. Yes. Money released?
No, my lord.
No, my lord. Why? It was for the last financial year.
Yes, my lord.
Now we are coming to the close of this financial year.
The latest instruction I have received that the relaxation under FR 17(1) has been approved by the finance department, my lord.
Now what is left?
Now the later after.
FOC will come, this will come. How long will this man wait?
Yes, my lord, I understand.
But this is a case for attaching interest now. Order is of Mr. Goswami?
2015.
10 years. His capital, that value, we'll have to make up. So now tell me, we'll take it up after some time. Give me a date by which the money would be released, and then we will record that and attach interest.
Your lordship may take up day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Then I will.
I want a cutoff date by which, and that should not be more than a period of at least 15 to 20 days. Within 15 to 20, because now everything is done.
Yeah, I understand.
And it is only because of your lethargy that the man is not getting the money.
My lord, if your lordship.
Because I think I passed orders here.
Yes, my lord, I understand. If your lordship indicates this in the order, and if your lordship takes up on Friday, my lord, probably then I will.
9/1.
Yes, my lord.
We are in 9/2.
Your
Okay.
lordship.
We'll have it on Wednesday. It will be after 9.
My lord.
12. That means after 12 months, this is the position we can note.
My
Mr.
lord,
D.P. Bora, Learned Counsel
my
for
lord,
the
my-
petitioner, submits that. A Learned Counsel, a Learned Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, submits that. The Finance Department has granted its approval towards the relaxation of the provisions of FR 17 bracketed 1 for release of the arrears salaries of the petitioner. He submits that the arrears salaries of the petitioner would be now released shortly. So, this court requires Mr. D.P. Bora to receive instructions from the respondent authorities as to the date by which the petitioner shall be released his salaries. So, the respondent shall apprise this court about the date by which the salaries is to be released, would be released to the petitioner by reckoning that the order promoting the petitioner to the post of professor was issued on 14/11/2012, granting such retrospective effect from 17/1/2006. So, this court and also further that this court has been constantly, 2006. So, subject to the further clarifications that would be raised to list this matter again on
Can it be on
Wednesday.
Friday, my lord? So then I can communicate this order and I can have a definite instruction, my lord.
Thursday. A copy of the communication dated, copy of the instructions received, copy of the communication dated 28/10/2025 furnished by Mr. Bora is kept on record and marked as X for the purpose of this.
Obliged, my lord.
And tell me, apprise me why interest should not be now, because this is clear lethargy.
My lord, if your lordship indicates in the order, my lord, then I can communicate it.
That is for me to, you and me and Mr. Soikia to decide, not your authorities. You to convince me, no.
Yes,
Mr. Goswami has already convinced that interest is to be applied. Now you convince me, why not?
Yes.
Mr. Goswami will have it on.
Obliged.
He is still in service?
Yes, my lord.
65 years. Now it is 65, that's true.
Yes.
In this matter, we need some material instruction from the petitioners, my lord. So-
Material instruction, that
Yes,
I
ma'am.
cannot object.
So posted immediately after vacation, man.
If it is material instruction, Mr.
Has to
Roy,
be.
otherwise we are ready to,
Lordship has to grant this.
that we'll have to grant. Otherwise, we are ready to dismiss your case.
But Lord.
See, when you, no, dismiss your case qua LIC. LIC cannot be saddled with this response.
What's for the wrong of the authorities, my lord? What
No,
I am
that is
legally
what, who
entitled.
is appearing for
I should
the
suffer, my lord.
housing board?
And housing board, they have submitted their affidavit also. There also, they have admitted that we are entitled to the enhanced scale, man.
Yes.
Lordship, G. Bodola is at Dex.
Mr. G. Bodlo is at legs. Call him. Let us see.
Lordship, after.
Madam, if you want your money,
Yes, my lord, I want my.
and I'll ensure that you get your material instructions also. We'll not do, but we want Mr. Bodloy to get some instructions. Your material instructions will not be disturbed. Don't worry. I'll not dispose of the matter. When Mr. Bodloy is here, ask him to be. Because I just want to ask him that once the LIC is not giving, then the board has to find out source and means to pay you that.
We are legally
Because
entitled. to-
otherwise we proceed against the, see, LIC will only work with regard to the premium paid.
But
now the
premium, the board
premium-
is saying they have paid it.
No, that is for the subsequent financial year, not for the, how can, madam, today I pay a premium and ask LIC to make payment from, say, 2020 or 19? Will they pay?
It's for
They'll
them
not.
to answer, man. Yeah, it's for the board to answer.
Or that the board come. Only to that extent we'll ask so that next day we can dispose of this matter.
Okay.
It will time being video material.
May please, Your Lordship. Lord,
You
petitioner
are
is-
for the petition.
My lord, she is not getting the family pension, my lord.
She will not get also. What happened to the FC civil case number 109, 2019?
It is pending.
What is the stage?
It's a cross examination of witnesses.
Witnesses,
Argument to the.
It is for argument.
argument.
Because my lord, if my lord, the family court matter is my lord disposed of in favor of the petitioner, my lord, then also my lord, she will not get anything, my lord. Because the decree of divorce is not
Oh.
insolent.
Then she will not get.
But
That is the catch.
I may not be also, my lord.
You will not get.
Yes, my lord.
But the pensionary benefits, not the pension,
Yes, my lord.
the pensionary benefits, gratuity, leave encashment, will go to the children.
That my lord, 50-50, my lord, I have already.
We cannot. Who is appearing for the state respondents? The very age of yours during the marriage is disputed now. Whether you were a minor. How can a government servant marry a minor?
My lord.
And they dispute the agreement. Where is the original copy of this marriage certificate?
Marriage certificate, your lordship will find.
And you have not dealt with this. They say that this is a forged document.
My lord.
What is the evidence that has come on record?
Because my lord, pendency of that, my lord, FC case, my lord.
What is the material that is there in the?
It is a official witness already came and my lord, they have deposed, my lord.
What is the deposition?
Deposition is that it is my lord, genuine, my lord.
Genuine.
Genuine.
So,
Annexure 7 page.
we can close this matter by saying that whatever happens in the FC case will hold the field. Because now these issues we cannot decide these issues.
My lord, if this matter is fixed for argument, my lord, then matter may be kept for another 2 weeks, my lord. Because as on that, my lord, I am entitled, my lord. Because
And
of
you
this-
made a statement that you were nominated by your.
Yes, that is
husband.
in official document that is there, my lord.
Oh, that only one we find that page 92. What is this page 92? From where have you got this?
If your lordship will find this, my lord, affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent.
92 Annexure 4,
Yes, my lord.
employee details.
Yes, my lord. That
Who is
there.
Pranjal Mohanto?
Their son, my lord. At that time, they were minor, my lord.
And what about the daughter?
All of them got married, my lord.
My daughter also
My
married.
lord, my lord.
Yes, what do you say?
I am for the respondent number 5. Due to
Huh.
personal reason, my senior could not come.
Huh?
Conduct is part of hearing, your lordship.
What?
I am for the respondent number
He
5.
is praying for some time, my lord.
I am praying for time, my lord.
What happened to your senior?
My senior, due to some personal rule, he could not come. Your
When did the personal difficulty arise? Today morning?
lord. I don't know.
Or it was there for some time? No. Is the personal difficulty arising today morning or it was there for some time?
Lordship, today I have only got informed that time.
Lordship may keep it pending, my lord, till decision of this family court, my lord.
Mr. T.K. Bhuiyan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that the case being FC number FC bracketed C, case number 109, 2019, instituted by the respondent number 5, hearing before the family court is presently pending disposal. He submits that the trial in the matter is already concluded and the case is fixed for arguments
In the month of January, my lord.
in the month of January. Accordingly, he prays that the matter be taken up in the month of February by this court for final, for month of February. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Accordingly, a registry to list this matter in the month of February. The party shall, on the next date of listing, apprise this court about the outcome of the proceedings presently pending before the family court, Guwahati, between the parties.
My name will record.
Mr. N. Upadhyay, Learned counsel for the Learned Standing Council,
Irrigation Department.
Irrigation Department is present,
I'm deep level.
along with Mr. B. Sharma. Mr. N. Upadhyay, Learned Standing Council, Irrigation Department, along with Mr. B. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, AG, bracketed ANE, Assam, are present.
Obliged.
Mr. Bodler, you agree that they are entitled to that enhanced gratuity?
Yes, Lordship, that actually, Lordship, the board has taken a resolution, but I have filed my affidavit. The problem which we faces is the housemate used to pay a premium to the LIC. Now, that particular premium during his tenure
Was not paid.
was not paid, Your Lordship.
So the LIC is out of the equation.
Lordship.
You pay. You pay, you have taken a decision, you pay. Mr. G. Bodler, Learned Council for the Learned Standing Council, Assam Housing Board.
Housing board.
Housing Board submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to receive instructions as to why the board authorities shall not be directed to release to the petitioners the enhanced gratuity in terms of the decision of the board to adopt the recommendations of the pay commission in this connection. Also, registry to list this matter again on 21/1/2025. In the meantime, the Learned Council for the petitioner shall complete their material instructions.
Yes, Lordship.
Number 7. So and so is present. Boro. Yeah, that is
Arboro.
Arboro, no, for AG.
AG.
AG present.
A Chakraborty, correspondent number 5.
A Chakraborty for respondent. In the so and so are present.
May I please, Your Lordship, the matter may be taken at 2, Your Lordship.
Yes, any instructions, Mr. Goswami? GP accounts, assistant accounts, accountant. Okay, you have your instructions by.
Lordship, the standing council PNRD, I will
Okay.
inform.
You inform the standing council PNRD.
Please,
Mr. Soronia,
My lord.
what can we do for you here?
Here, my lord, they have terminated me, my lord, without giving all the allegations they have brought against me, without, my lord, copy all those documents, my lord.
Oh, that is too late in the day to ask.
My lord. Because, and there is,
Yeah,
in
it's
the,
here. It is here.
but now it is here, my lord, but that I could not properly give my reply, my lord. Just of course notice. And secondly, my lord, there is a provision of appeal. May not
You
be
have
appeal,
not taken recourse to the appeal.
but there is no indication in the order that you can.
Forget it. Now that
My
we are
lord, it is punishable,
considering
my lord,
it,
he may not be
you
aware of all the
anything
law.
on merits, anything on merits.
Anyone manage, my lord, all the minor signatures belong to me, my lord. Signature, my
See,
lord.
there are 3 situations here,
My lord.
3 time gaps. First one is the admit card written examination
My lord.
and the answer scripts of the written examination. And the third is the medical examination. There is a time gap between this. Now the impersonation is not for the medical examination. Impersonation is in the entrance examination. Because the signature therein admittedly was found to be not yours. It is different. In the question document number 3 is with regard to the medical examination. That you are there. That you are. So it's clear indication that there is something and they have drawn a satisfaction to that effect.
My lord, when I applied for that, my lord, that time there I have a one confusion, my lord, that in my documents it is
Oh,
See,
I used to write
they
A,
have-
my lord, Devojani. That is the, my lord, they have.
No, they have not done that. They DA and DE, they have not gone on that.
A and O, my lord.
DO, they have not gone on that.
So because of they have doubted, my lord, possibly.
No.
But
They have doubted because you got very high marks in the written examination. But in the training, you plugged.
the paper 1 and 2, my lord,
You
language
plugged.
paper. Language
So
paper.
they had a doubt. So they went and made this examination, they found out this.
That is the objective type. How they can compare the objective type question paper and my handwriting?
No,
my lord?
no. The
Only the
objective-
my lord signature, found initial
admit card.
application and later on, my lord. That may be my lord, but in case of handwriting, my lord, objective type question, how they
The-
can compare,
the
my lord?
questions are here only.
All are objective type. my lord.
And in the affidavit, you have not even disputed the findings of the handwriting experts. You have admitted to that. You only say Debojani and Debojani.
My lord.
Debajani and Debojani.
My lord.
Nothing else.
My lord, then fix for hearing, my lord, anything matter, my lord. My lord.
We are hearing today, Mr. Sarania, make your arguments.
Lordship may have to come, then my lord, they are show cause notice, my lord.
Hmm.
Annexure 9,
Page.
page.
If you want some more time to prepare, we can,
My
because
lord,
this is
eight.
a
My lord,
life of a-
admit the matter fixed for hearing, my lord.
No, we'll have it
Fix
on.
or that, my lord.
We'll have it on Thursday for final disposal. But Mr. M. Sarania, as well as Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned. Mr. Sarania for Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also had Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned CGC appearing for the state respondents. Hearing heard the parties at some length. Hearing remains inconclusive. Registry to list this matter again on Thursday for further hearing.
My lord.
Only go through that, because in your affidavit, only stand you take is that only because I could not analyze the findings of the or the opinion of the handwriting expert,
My lord.
my services should not. That cannot be.
Because the national has been violated, at least they could have provided me.
They
before
gave
me answering.
gave you a notice. Did you ask for that?
In even my lord, in the notice, they have not, usually my lord, in case of service matter, that you can ask for the documents or you can my lord, file an appeal. That is indicated.
You
Yes,
were-
not
you were-
no
you were
indication.
only a probationer at that point.
That
You make your
protestable,
submissions.
my lord, that much knowledge may not be.
It's open
My
to
lord.
you, Mr. Second. Tony.
Right, please, your lordship. The petitioner before your lordship is Deputy Chief Engineer of Oil India Limited Lordship. And respondent number 3.
Yes.
Lordship, we have received one instruction, Lordship. In this
Oh.
matter, Lordship, as per the disciplinary proceeding, Lordship, final order has already been passed, Lordship.
Final order passed.
Yes, Lordship. And a minor penalty of censure was imposed, Lordship.
Oh.
And it was passed in the year of 2021, Lordship, 24th May
Yes,
2021, Lordship.
What is this? Penalty passed still before this court?
Lordship, it can be heard and for final disposal some other day.
No, today. Why this matter? When was the order passed?
It was passed on 24th May 2021, Lordship.
24/5/2021.
বাইরে সালে দিয়ে দিব পয়লা
Yes, madam. Why this aspect was not brought to the notice of this court?
Lordship, the petitioner came to know about the deposition of respondent 3 when departmental authority, while giving show cause notice, furnished him the copy of the deposition. Lately, your lordship.
Give her a copy of this.
Yes.
Madam, take this copy, come back at 2, ask your client for your instructions. Because once this is gone, if without challenge to this, why should we go into the proceedings? Sir?
Lordship can fix the matter tomorrow also, as the senior counsel is out of station.
The doctor is not here. The learned counsel for the respondents have submitted that the departmental proceedings involved in the present proceeding, in the present writ petition, assailed in the present writ petition was taken to its logical conclusion, and a penalty of censure was imposed upon the petitioner herein. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that she be granted a day's time to complete her instructions in this connection. Registry to list this matter again on Wednesday.
Obliged.
No reply has been filed, Miller, again. Last order, Lordship, we can receive it. File call. He reply file call. Affidavit, yeah.
What do you say about the delay?
My lord. My lord, annexure 5, Lordship, kindly see. 29. My lord, I'm SI, my lord. After this, I wanted to file an appeal, statutory appeal. I sought for my lord,
Where
permission.
is the
Permission to file?
requirement of seeking an
My lord.
permission for filing of an appeal?
The next page, my lord.
I got it. You asked,
So only,
you
my lord,
what you asked, you got. But where is the requirement of asking for a permission?
exactly not there, my lord. It's not there,
You
and
should have filed your permission, the appeal
it is
directly.
not necessary, my lord. Not, my explanation to delay is that I wanted to file an application that has been denied by the speaking order, and I thought my remedy is over, my lord. He's a SI, my lord. So,
So it is over, rest with that.
my lord.
Yeah,
That
4
is
years
my
is
explanation,
long.
that he understood that his remedies are over because appeal has not been allowed to file. And the policeman always busy in duties, my lord, so that happened, my lord. But delay did not cause prejudice to anybody, my lord. So lordship can take merit of the case. That is my submission, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Talda. What is your response to the manner in which the inquiry was conducted?
That, of course, I do not have any instruction.
So
Lordship. I'll have
we
to get
hold that for the last 5 years, the government has nothing to say. Non-previous, we allow all the allegations we accept all the allegations leveled in the application and set aside the order. And we will impose cost now.
My lordship, I pray for a short period
No.
of time because
I'm sorry. Because this has been lingering here from daily as a last opportunity on 19/3/25, last opportunity, learned government advocate for the state. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. Shall produce the records. Where is the record?
no.
Was it communicated to the authorities?
Yes, probably
When?
that was my lord. I'll find out. No, after that it was not.
Not communicated.
Not.
So now we'll have to proceed against the council. We can't.
Good city.
Yes, Mr. Mehdi. It is coming. Where is the records coming from, Mr. Chakraborty?
My lord, record will come from
Kokrajhar.
BGP.
Kokrajhar.
No, this
Huh?
It is under BTA depot.
Huh?
next week. No, my lord, the order has been passed.
On 19th.
Kokrajhar, yes, SP.
Kokrajhar, it is from BTA depot. Anyway, we'll,
Police is under you still, not under BTAD.
but, yes.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Police is under.
On the last date of listing, this court had, as a last opportunity, had granted a last opportunity to the learned government advocate for the state to complete their instructions and to produce the records of the disciplinary proceeding instituted against the petitioner herein. Mr. B.J. Talukder, learned senior counsel, submits that the records have not been received. He fairly submits that due to a miscommunication, the order dated 19/3/2025 passed by this court was not communicated to the respondents. He submits that the records in the matter shall invariably be procured by him from the Superintendent of Police Kokrajhar by 12/12/2025. Also, in view of the said assurance given by Mr. B.J. Talukder, learned senior counsel appearing for the respondents, this court at this stage refrains from passing any adverse orders against the respondents for non-compliance of the directions passed by this court on 19/3/2025. Also, registry to fix this matter again for further hearing on 15/12/2025. Also, on the next date of listing, if the records are not produced before this court, the Superintendent of Police Kokrajhar shall remain present before this court along with the along with the records in original for assisting this court in disposal of the present writ petition.
18.
18.
My lord, for a 1 week time, my lord, matter maybe in fact, I have take instruction, my lord. Because I have been continuing.
Yes.
This is the.
I am for the caveat, my client is already retired, my lord.
Retired. We'll quash it. What happens, happens. Mr. M. Sarania, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Who will appear for the respondents? Mr. Talda, you can appear. Karbi Anglong. Director. Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong. Who passed
My
the
lord,
order?
it's a state, my lord. Treasury is a for the state.
Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong.
By state.
You can appear. Mr. Goswami. Also heard Mr. J. Goswami, learned. Oh, no, who somebody from the finance department.
Yes, Mr. Dai.
Mr. P. Naik, learned additional advocate general appears for the respond number 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, and 4. Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned counsel learned additional senior government advocate appears for the respond number 3. Mr. Kolita, J. Kolita, learned counsel represents the respond number 5. The present writ petition has been instituted by the petitioner assailing an order dated
Annex 3, page 13.
30/10/2020 passed by the Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong, Diffu towards transferring and posting him her from the post of Accountant Depot Treasury to the post of Bukazan Sub-Treasury wise the respondent number 5, right?
Minus.
So, purportedly in pursuance to directions passed by this court-wide order dated 13-10-2020 in WPC number 4251-2020. Also, Mr. Kolita Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 5 at the outset has submitted that the respondent number 5 had retired from her service from his services on reaching the age of superannuation with effect from
That is not my.
Superannuation, and accordingly he would not be interested to further pursue the present writ petition. Mr. M. Sarania, by drawing this attention to the order dated to the contentions made in the order dated 30-10-2020, submits that the same has been projected to be so issued in pursuance to the directions passed by this court by a coordinate bench of this court wide order dated 13-10-2020 in WPC number 4251-2020. He submits that a perusal of the order dated 13-10-2020 would reveal that no such directions were passed by this court requiring the transfer and posting of the petitioner herein. Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, for the state respondent, Additional Advocate General appearing for the state respondent, submits that the order dated 30-10-2020 was kept in abeyance by this court in the present proceedings, while order dated was not implemented in pursuance to the directions passed by this court wide order dated 17-11-2020, and accordingly he submits that considering the lapse of time occasioning in the matter, this court would be pleased to interfere with the order dated 30-10-2020, granting liberty to the respondents to pass fresh orders in the event administrative exigencies so demand. Will do that, Mr.
Not.
In the event administrative exigencies so demand. Also, I have heard the Learned Counsel for the parties and peruse the material available on record. The petitioner, on her promotion as accountant, came to be posted to the Treasury. Also, the respondent number 5 was also promoted by the same order to the post of accountant and was posted at Pokajan Sub-Treasury. The respondent number 5 had approached this court by way of instituting a writ petition being WPC number 4251-2020, praying for his posting against a post of defunct Treasury, considering the fact that he was to retire from his services on reaching the age of superannuation with effect from 28-2021. So, this court, noticing the said grievance, had, while order dated 13-10-2020, disposed of the said writ petition, granting liberty to the petition to the respondent number 5 herein to prefer a representation before the jurisdictional deputy commissioner. So, the deputy commissioner was directed to pass a reasoned order on the same as may be permissible under law. Also, this court, the coordinate bench of this court had further held that the direction for passing of the reasoned order by the deputy commissioner would also require him to take into consideration that the petitioner in the present proceeding is already being posted and working as accountant in the defunct Treasury. Also, it is seen that after passing of the said directions by this court wide the order dated 13-10-2020, no speaking order is found to have been passed by the deputy commissioner. Rather, the deputy commissioner proceeded to issue the order dated 30-10-2020, transferring the petitioner herein to Boca
From Depot to-
Bokazan sub-treasury and posting the respondent number 5 against the post earlier held by the petitioner as accountant at Defu Treasury. So this court, while issuing notice in the matter while order dated 17/11/2020, had directed for maintenance of status quo with regard to the holding of the charge of the post by the petitioner and the respondent number 5 herein. It is submitted by the Learned Counsel for the parties that in terms of the said order, the petitioner continued to discharge her duties at Defu Treasury while the respondent till the time of his superannuation continued at Bokazan sub-treasury. Also, in view of the said position and considering that a period of 5 years have lapsed from the date of issuance of the order dated 30/10/2020, this court proceeds to set aside the same and thereby permitting the continuance of the petitioner hearing against the post of accountant at Defu Treasury. Also, the setting aside of the order dated 30/10/2020 would not restrain the respondent authorities from passing a fresh order of transfer in respect of the petitioner herein, in the event on assessment it is found to be necessary on administrative exigency. Further, such order would also be permissible to be issued considering the length of service rendered by the petitioner as accountant in Defu Treasury. So, with the above observations and directions, the present writ petition stands disposed of.
My lord, last observation, they'll issue my transfer order.
They have to only, but they can't issue a transfer order like saying 13/10. They'll have to make an exercise.
Already, my lord, he has retired, my lord, on the 2021.
You are there for 5 years. There will be 100 of others who want to go.
I'm also returning by 2 years later.
Or 2 years is too long time. 1 more year, if you go, you will not be transferred.
High level, my lord.
A caveat stands discharged. At the Learned Counsel for the respondent, caveat stands discharged. Learned Counsel for the caveat stands.
May I please, Lord? My lord, the present petitioner's predecessors donated near more than 3 acres of land in favor of Mandatory High School.
That was a non-provincial high school.
A non-provincial school, and now there is no existence of that school.
Now, the land is recorded in the name of in whose name the land is recorded?
When we filed the case, at that time, it was occupied by the budgetary LP
Not
school.
occupied, the school.
At present,
Earlier school had given it to them, then they stayed there.
no, they have not given. They
Yes,
have no
what
power.
is the status with regard
So
to your
finally,
school?
see the one order. Latest order was.
Shafiqul,
passed
what
by
is the
this-
status?
That instruction I have not received. my lord.
Get your instructions.
My lord, kindly see order dated 14/2/22.
You gave it for a school.
Yes.
Let it remain for a school.
No, actually, that school is not in
Now,
existence.
once you have given it, government has taken over.
No, there is no formal order passed by the government.
Yes, who is appearing for the government? Any
And
affidavit with
moreover,
the government.
They cannot pass such order because I have donated
Yes.
to high school.
I am for.
What is your right to continue in that school?
I am for S1 number 8, my lord.
What is your right to continue in that land?
My lord, as per my instruction, my lord, earlier headmaster, my lord, he has retired, my lord. Now another in charge headmaster, my lord.
And how much money you are earning from these shops?
No, my lord,
He says there is shops.
that is not correct, my lord.
That is not correct. But that means there is something here you want to hide from this court. Because you took time on 25/6/25 to file a affidavit. You have not filed.
That earlier,
6 months.
that headmaster, my lord, he has already.
Ah.
Thereafter, my lord, I have submitted, my lord, filed Okalatnama for S1 number 8. He is now in charge.
It is there. 22, this matter is pending. You have not filed. Why? What is your right there? How have you come into occupation of that? Who gave you that?
My lord, the school is now provincialized school, my
I got it. Who gave you that land in the first place?
The present incumbent, my lord, he is not in a position to
Huh?
say detail, my lord. Present incumbent,
Forget this. You will have to say this.
then I have to take instruction, my lord.
We are not, otherwise we'll have to interfere. If you are an encroacher, how can you have land? How did you declare your land particulars in your application for provincialization? There is a requirement that you must have land.
Yes, my lord.
How did you declare that?
Otherwise, my lord, it is
Mr. AFNU Mullah,
civil dispute, my
AFNU Mullah, learned counsel for the respondent, summits. I'm learned counsel for the respondent, and Mr. Mehdi, learned counsel representing the respondent number
5 and 6.
3, 5, and 6 summits that the affidavit on their behalf shall invariably be filed on or before 19/12/2025. So, registry to list this matter again on 19/1/2025. In the event the affidavits are not so filed, the Deputy Commissioner,
South Salmara,
Hubli,
Mankasar district.
South Salmara district, South Salmara,
South Salmara, Mankasar.
Mankachar. But here you say, where is he? He's not here.
Dubri.
Dubri.
Mandatory
Dubri
Dubri
is there.
Dubri, my lord.
Bifurcation
Mandatory
maybe,
Dubri.
yeah.
Dubri shall depute
No, where
officer
South Salmara.
of his.
Mankasar.
I'll get filed. In the event the affidavit is not so filed, this court would consider passing directions requiring the presence of the Deputy Commissioner Dubri. This court would, on the next date of listing, consider passing directions requiring the personal appearance of the Deputy Commissioner Dubri along with the Director of Elementary Education to answer the queries of this court.
Oh, here, it's already mutated in the name of school. Member.
Which school?
That mandatory high school.
High school is
High
not
school is
there.
not there.
English high school.
English high school
Now
is
high
not
school
there.
has been upgraded, my lord. Amalgamated all schools, LP, ME and high school amalgamated.
When?
There was a date, my lord.
Well, I need to cut it.
Now upgraded to mandatory high school on March, 1st March of 2025, my lord.
And before that,
land. In that land.
And before that,
when was the mutation done?
It was not reflected in the matter.
Get your instruction. Get your instruction.
My lord, the circle officer is the appropriate authority to details
So
of
maybe
that.
we'll get that. Otherwise, we'll have the Deputy Commissioner here. He will come with the details. Mr. Mahmood,
Yes,
please present.
our education department has best because
You gave the provincialization. You must be satisfied with the land. Just disclose that particulars to me. That's all. I'm not asking you to do anything more. I said, what are the particulars of land you were satisfied with to grant provincialization? That's all. On the next date, we'll take it up.
otherwise also, my lord, civil dispute, my lord.
No.
That we will see.
Civil
That we will see.
So
That
Lord,
we will see.
Lord Mondal already, my lord, made a field visit, my lord, on 13th.
So if you know so much of particulars, why the affidavit has not been filed? Why the affidavit has not been filed?
This is the instruction I have just received from phone that
Today, for 6 months, he was not giving you any instruction.
that headmaster, my lord, already has.
That is already on 6 months before we know that. That headmaster is not there. So for the last 6 months, what were you doing? He's not concerned with the orders of this court. Then, please get file your affidavits. Deputy Commissioner, along with the headmaster, incumbent headmaster of the respondent number 8 school. You only give me those particulars. What is the DLC? Mr. Pegu,
yes.
What is the DLC? What is the SLC? What is the base? That much.
All right.
My lord, I'm appearing in item number 16.
Lordship, on last date, Lordship directed to place the record, Lordship. We have already communicated.
You are paying for the petitioner.
Petitioner, my lord. But in the meantime, Lordship, I have also forwarded the affidavit to the department for waiting, Lordship. I'm praying for just 1 week time, Lordship. On the next date, I will place the affidavit as well as the record, Lordship.
Mr. Nayak, height of things here.
Yes, Lordship. I accept that. I
Height
may
of
apologize
things
for
here.
that, Lordship.
Mr. Nath, are you working?
Yes, yes.
You're working?
Yeah, just now I got the instruction.
Ah,
Yes.
then it is okay.
Working Dergaon subdivision.
You're working?
Yes, yes.
Then it's okay.
I,
Now tell me one.
Lordship, one of my colleague appeared in the last date on
Fine.
Lordship, and I
Whoever
came to
appears,
know about
appears.
this
You are
matter only
Mr.
on the last day.
Nayak is here, we will take his assistance. There were 3 inquiries, right? First inquiry quashed by this court.
At the same time, directed the given liberty to the authority to conduct a
By appointing some other inquiry and presenting officer.
New set of.
New setup. You proceeded with the second inquiry.
Lordship.
You come to some inquiry report or something. Still not satisfied.
A fresh
Now,
inquiry was
you
yes.
appoint a third inquiry officer.
And the word press inquiry was used.
But let us say it is further inquiry. No, I give it to you.
Lordship.
You proceed, but this time you do it discreetly without involving the petitioner. He is a character you don't want. I agree to that. You don't want him. There is a procedure of law. Now, if you come to the order 140, come to the order 141, kindly read the second paragraph. And thereafter, if you say that this court, the matter is to be adjourned, I'll adjourn it sine die, no problem.
Lordship, one word. drop was-
141, no, forget the words. Come to 141.
Yes, order.
Second part, second paragraph.
Second paragraph, Lordship. Paragraph or the order.
Order. Read the show cause notice from there. 141, page
Yes,
141.
read the show cause notice, the reply in statement in defense submitted by the delinquent officer, why is letter number so nil, and inquiry report of first inquiry officer submitted on so and so, inquiry report of second inquiry, 3 inquiry report of third inquiry officer submitted on 12/1/2018.
Now read carefully.
Lordship.
Now read carefully. It is.
It is established that in the findings of the inquiry report of the inquiry officers and after examining the written statement of Sri Diganta Kumar Bhuya, delinquent official concerned, that the involvement of the delinquent as a journalist and his non-performance of government duties have been vindicated, and the search dated 13/1/2016 is held to be proved.
So what is the basis? First inquiry report, second inquiry report, third inquiry report.
Inquiry.
First inquiry report already quashed. Second inquiry report, you have given up. Third inquiry report, he is not even a party. So should I continue with this or we'll quash this and give it a quietus? My only doubt was whether he is working.
No, it's working. I
He
just
seems
now
to
got
be
it.
working. I think Mr. Mac,
I understand, Lordship, and I apologize for that also, Lordship. Only last date, Lordship, I appeared. One of my colleague appeared.
No. Now,
I have
that's why I'm
already forwarded the affidavit.
For
for
Mr.
waiting.
Nayak, I need not go through the facts. A
Yes.
point is enough for Mr. Nayak. Now, Mr. Nayak, you tell me, after this finding, can you support this order? If you say yes, make your submissions, I am with you.
I think that is why Lordship record is important, Lordship. Lordship,
you
one
know-
order is there.
What? After this, let us forget the
And,
second
and
report. This will be stated.
I admit to the extent that the words used in the ultimate order, Lordship, may not be in my favor, Lordship. But what is there in the record, Lordship, that is, I think, in my opinion, Lordship, is
Cannot
important.
be anything.
Lordship will peruse that record, Lordship, and Lordship will decide. I am praying for just one day.
Tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, Lordship. Let the affidavit come, Lord.
No, affidavit, we are not interested.
Affidavit, Lordship, it is-
This matter is 23, we are not affidavit. We want the records. If you are insisting on the records.
Record, Lord, that is why, Lordship, for both, Lordship. Affidavit and record, Lordship will take up in the next week itself,
No,
Lordship.
this week. I'll forget otherwise. Laha. Just note it and then we'll see. Mr. M, heard Mr. M. Not Leonard. Okay, we'll not pass today. We'll have it on Thursday. We'll
On,
close
on
it on
12,
Thursday.
12 Lordship. Let the affidavit come, Lordship. 12 Lordship.
12, okay, 12. 12 at 2 p.m.
Lordship.
Any problem?
The two item hearing matter fixed, old matters, 2014 matters, two matters
Okay.
fixed.
You need not argue. You have argued.
God bless.
So not is
That's
to
the only
argue.
point. That's the only point. That's true.
12.
On the prayer of, heard Mr. M. Nut, Leonard Senior Counsel at length. Mr.
My lord, no need, please don't write on length.
Huh?
At length, I think, my lord.
I mean, 5 minutes is.
Heard him that, that's okay.
Heard Mr. M. Nut, Leonard Counsel for the petition. Mr. P. Naik, Leonard Counsel for the respondent.
Respondent, Lord.
Submits that he be granted time till 12/2025 to produce the records of the case. Also, prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on 12/12/2025 for further hearing. We'll hear you on Monday. 5 minutes, come down.
Yes, sir.
But any other point to be taken up?
No, there's the basic points.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Lord? My lord, the present petitioner and some other persons, including one Mira Shekia, were appointed as staff nurse on 26/9/91, page 12. Now, Lordship would kindly
Where
see.
is your name?
My name is Khairun Nisa Mujumdar. Kindly see page 14 is the operative portion. Khairun Nisa Mujumdar, page.
Where is Mira Soikia?
Mira Soikia's name, page 15, serial number 29. Thereafter, my lord, I was promoted to the post of ward sister on 8/11/19, page 16.
Mira Soikia is respond number?
We have not made him respondent because we are not against her. We only want that she is my contemporary, but she was appointed with me as a staff nurse, and thereafter she was promoted as ward sister before me, and thereafter assistant matron, that also before me. So my case may be seen para 8.
Just on. Now, both of you are GNMs?
Yes.
Both of you?
Yes.
Then the next promotion?
Next promotion is, my lord, that is ward sister.
8/11/2019. This is your promotion.
Yes, 19, my promotion is there. But Mira Soikia was promoted much earlier,
When?
2010. And she was promoted as assistant matron in 2021.
Mira Soikia, where is the order of Mira Soikia?
Yes, that lordship may kindly say. Page, page 34. Operative portion may be seen. Page 36. Serial number 34.
And then where is the promotion as, what do you call that, assistant matron?
Assistant matron of this page 28. Operative portion, page 29, serial number 40. Page 29, serial number 40.
This is Khairun Nessa, your promotion.
Yes, my promotion. Mira Sheikha's promotion was in 2021, page 21. Operative portion, page 22. Serial number 29. So, my lord, my prayer is very simple. Kindly see page 9. After 4 lines, I am reading. Calling upon the respondent to show cause as to why the petitioner shall not be promoted to the post of ward sister with effect from 22 to 2010, when her contemporary Srimati Mira Sheikha was promoted as ward sister. And also to show cause as to why petitioner shall not be promoted to the post of assistant matron with effect from 1/12/21, when Mira Sheikha was appointed as assistant matron. So this is my limited prayer.
Okay.
With
Now,
consequential benefits.
with what is the, you have filed this case in 2023. And
Yes.
your grievance is of 2010.
Yes, that is a question of that.
Where have you stated that this aspect of the matter,
Yes,
that Mira Soikia was granted promotion earlier, was not known to you?
yes,
Said till filing of the writ petition.
yes, my lord.
Where have you stated that?
Yes, that I have mentioned here. Page 7, para 7. That the petitioner basically said that due to her delayed promotion.
When? In 19?
In 19, I came to know.
Sorry, that will not do.
In 19, I came to know. Thereafter, I charged.
Because Mr. Mahmood, in 2010, along with Mira Saikia, there were a number of persons promoted.
Yes.
Now, if you have to bring you back to that position, Mira Saikia is already retired.
Yes.
Somewhere I found she is
Retired.
already retired. Now I have to bring you back to that position. I'll have to place you above all those persons. They are not party respondents.
No, actually, my lord, I am not against Mira Sheikha.
Giving you that promotion from 2010
But the,
would give you a retrospective seniority over those people.
no, I am only on financial benefits.
You are retired.
No, I am not retired. But
How can I give you financial benefits without
because the
seniority?
law says this, when a junior person has been promoted and the.
Any law?
Yes. Yes, here several orders I have. And one order perhaps yours also. That was a, kindly see this Gunakanto.
Onakanto is a different issue altogether.
Yes.
Onakanto is a dispute between a GNM and a BSc nurse. That is not the issue here.
But the ratio of the case.
No.
I think same. And
You show me the ratio then.
yes.
When I saw what sister this, that of this time, I wanted not to take up this matter. Then I saw that both of them are GNM. Then I said there is no one.
Para 18, kindly see, this is the Supreme Court judgment. With
No
us,
dispute on that. No dispute on that, but this occasioned in 2010. And you are before me in 2013. By that time, much water has flown. A settled position has
no,
come into
we
being.
came to know about this only in
There is
2019.
nothing here.
Then
Okay. Where is your representation 2011?
that those, there are several representations were filed, but I have annexed here two. That is page 53 and 54.
Now come to the order. That gradation list as of 2018.
That is not the list of staff nurse.
What, sister?
Yes.
Here you are at serial number 34.
No, my lord, one thing is this, the state cannot take the benefits of their own mistake. They have not promoted me.
Now tell me, what about the other persons who will now be suffering? You come to page 21. This is the what sister promotion, assistant matron promotion.
21, yes.
Meera Soikia is there.
Yes.
Now you are below, maybe.
No, here I am.
You're not there.
No.
You come to page
That is my
26.
grievance.
No, you come to page 26, serial number 200. Now on your subsequent promotion on 7/9/23,
Yes.
you will be placed below Bogen Law Court
Yes,
because you were subsequently promoted.
yes.
Now in your promotion order, if you come, page 29,
Yes,
you are at serial number 40.
yes,
There are 39 people above you.
yes.
Now if I pick you up and place you at
No, no.
with Meera Soikia,
Our case does not start from here. Our case.
see, because you will be senior, you say you will be senior to all these people. Their seniority will be suppressed.
No, my lord. Court will provide relief to the persons who approach to the honorable
I'm
court.
sorry, we cannot, because if they are not here, how can we pass
No,
an order?
if they do not come, a sleeping.
No, you are not, do not come if you are claiming, because they don't know that Mr. Mahmood is before this court. If you had made them party respondents.
No, I have a judgment, my lord. Of course, today I have not brought a judgment. If there are a large number of persons,
You make
then
few,
everybody should not be made a party.
but that the judgment will not say nobody should be made a party.
No, that is, of course, not there.
Then-
But
So in that view of the matter, we
but
cannot admit
the
it.
beneficial part will go to the petitioner. That every person is, it is a hundred
I'm not on
thousands of
that,
persons.
but if I have to pass a order prejudicial to their interest, they must be here. They need not be here. At least the notice has to go from this court to them. They come or not, it is up to them. They are not here.
Lordship, may I kindly fix another date, let me satisfy you on all these questions.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow may be difficult.
Vacations are coming. I don't want to.
Let it be on Friday.
No, not
No,
Friday.
this week, because I have
Thursday.
charged the.
Thursday. On the heard Mr. M.E. Mahmood at some length. However, Mr. Mahmood submits that he be granted time till Thursday to place on record relevant decisions in support of his contentions. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Standing Council, Health Department. Registry to list this matter again on Thursday by slip query 11.
Published.
My lord, I am appearing for response number 2 and 3, my lord. I pray for some time to file my affidavit, my lord. has been prepared on.
Notice on respond number 4 served, 7
Yes, I have.
served. Anybody appearing for respond number 7?
I have filed my affidavit regarding service of the skill.
Seen the office note dated 28/11/2025, which reflects that the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that an affidavit has been filed by the petitioner after completion of service of notice upon the respondent number 7 by way of dusty mood. This court has perused the said affidavit and finds that the notice has been served upon the respondent number 7. So accordingly, service upon the respondent number 7 is held to be complete. Also, Mr. P.S. Bhachaji, learned counsel for the petitioner's number, respondent's number
2 and 3.
2 and 3 submits that he be granted a week's time, 2 weeks' time to file his affidavit in the matter. You want to file? You have.
I have already filed, man.
Okay. You are for respond number
6, man.
also. In view of the above, register to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date.
Lordship, 19 January, Lordship, long day. Fix a date, can you?
Then come, you make a mention, we are here after 2 weeks.
Over.
Gas promotion.
Upgradation of the petitioner, your lordship. Without following the.
Who is appearing for the university? Pleadings are complete.
Yes, readings are complete, your lordship.
We'll have to hear this.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the parties submit that the pleadings in the matter is complete and the matter can be taken up for final hearing. So accordingly, admit the writ petition for hearing. No formal notice is to be, no fresh notice is to be served as all the respondents are represented. Also, registry to list this matter for hearing on 27 January.
Lordship.
27 of January. It's 27th of January. 27, my lord, before that, my lord.
Before that.
22.
No,
22, one more matter, your lordship.
27.
my lord, 20, my lord, 29.
22nd is fine.
My lord,
26.
my lord, 2nd of February, my lord. 22nd, I will not be here, my lord.
27.
22nd, 20, that will, I will not be in Aizawl.
22nd week you are in Aizawl. We are saying from 26th week.
My lord,
26 is Monday.
26th of January.
Ah.
Yes, my lord.
Republic.
This is Republic. 27, I'll be in Mizoram, my lord.
29.
29, my lord, it's difficult to reach, my lord, Guwahati, my lord. I'll do another district of the Mizoram, my lord, this long.
On
Very busy at the cafe.
So, my lord,
on
2nd.
3/2/2025.
I'm preparing for the SPG of the day,
For university. We have not.
I'm for university, my lord.
Everybody are there.
8th of February.
No. 3rd of February.
3rd of February.
Small issue, that's all.
All right.
Yes, Mr. Vajay, any information? Who, the land, with regard to the land? You're for the petitioner.
I'm for the petition.
Boilo.
Yes, still a government land. Land is not mutated in your name, in the name of. So the government will take steps for eviction. What is the error there?
No. If it's a government land, there is no error.
Because they say that it's a government land, still a government land.
My statement is this, contention is, admittedly, there is a settlement.
Where is that settlement? It's an allotment only, not a settlement. There is no settlement here. The land was allotted, but that settlement has not taken place.
The name appeared in Chita, Jamabandi. Can you see? Affidavit of R2, my lord. Affidavit of R2.
Yes, if there is no settlement, how is the name in the Chita?
Lordship.
Is it permissible? It's not
No,
permissible.
no.
Where is the name?
Besamari Grahak,
No, where do I get that Chita?
page 35
Hmm.
A.
Zila, Nagaon, tag number.
Grahak Besamari Homobai Committee.
Where?
31 against. Column number 31. So let them produce the allotment order. What's
There
the
was-
difficulty?
In terms of the orders passed by this court, the directions passed by this court wide order dated 21/11/2025, Mr. Roy has furnished the instructions received by him from the Additional District Commissioner Revenue, Nagaon, which is to the effect that the land was only allotted to Pechamari Samabai Samiti Limited, and the same continues to be a government land. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submit that the Sita, that the land records as brought on record by the respondents reveal that the land was settled with the Pechamari Grahak Somabai Samiti. Also, he submits that if the land is so settled with the Bechamari Grahak Samabai Samiti Limited, the government would have no right to evict the petitioners therefrom.
Invoke 18.2.
By invoking the provisions of section 18.2 of the
Settlement rules.
settlement rules. Full stop. He submits fairly that in the event the petitioners are found to be occupying government land, the state respondents would be within their rights to evict them therefrom. Also, in view of the above,
In page 37, the allotment Toka was there, Lordship, but it was in Assamese. It was in vernacular, Lordship.
what is it? Read it. Not very clear.
Is also
Abonton.
Abonton means allotment.
Abonton means about. Then why the Sita it is reflected? It should be reflected in the Sita.
Yes, for allotment.
No, cannot be.
Once a settlement is done, that is.
Then only it will come.
Permanent settlement.
Oh.
If there is a periodic lease, only then.
Mr. Roy submits that in view of the above, he would receive further instructions from the jurisdictional deputy commissioner in the matter and apprise this court of the same on the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter again on when?
Lordship, after the vacations, Lordship.
On 7/1/2025.
Till that some protection, my lord. I'm prima facie, my lord.
Prima facie, we are not yet prima facie. Anyway, you are, one thing is prima facie, you are an encroacher. Now, whose encroacher you are?
That's all right.
Now, once a day that it's a government land, I don't know why it has come in the CITA.
CITA.
Let's see, what is that?
In this case, I am appearing my lord. Disability pension, your lordship. Pleading otherwise is complete.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Gogoi, my lord. Today he has some personal difficulty, my lord. Any date may be fixed, my lord.
No, his pleading is complete. Let it come for hearing, your lordship.
The Learned Council for the parties have submitted that the pleadings in the matter is complete and the same may be taken up for hearing. Also, in view of the above, admit the writ petition. Also, no formal notice be served as all the respondents are represented. Also, register to list this matter again in the month of February for hearing, on a date to be fixed by
Can it be
February 2026.
Can it be on January?
January full. Only 2 weeks work. Na? That's
Date
the-
may be.
February you comes, he doesn't come, you come before this court.
Sure.
Mr. Islam, where is the marking procedure in the advertisement?
Marking procedure, my lord.
Found it somewhere, but I could not. trace it.
Advertisement is at page 35 and the relevant portion page 41. Record of the marks awarded for extracurricular activities and special skills, which is of maximum 40 marks, shall be as follows. Experience as homeguard, 1 year experience will earn 1 mark in each qualifying year. Those who have completed the advanced training will be awarded 2 extra marks. That mark has already been given. The experience as SPO will earn 2 marks.
Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Regarding lordship, the home guards marks, lordship, it is not clear from my affidavit, lordship.
I'm not on that. It is very clear. SPO,
Two
he
marks.
has not given any certificate
Yes.
along with the application.
Yes, yes.
Where have you stated that?
Yes. Lordship, in my affidavit, lordship, it is categorically stated that, lordship, in paragraph 3, lordship, regarding
That you say in paragraph
SPO.
3 with regard to the fact that he gave a certificate
Lordship,
at the time of PST, PAT.
yes, lordship.
Now, whether that certificate was there along with the application? Yes, Mr. Islam.
But that certificate has given because from the.
We'll take care of your home guard.
Yes.
We'll come to that.
Hmm.
But what about SPO? Did you
SPO,
upload this certificate at the
yes,
time?
SPO, they have already awarded 2 marks.
SPO 2 marks
Yes,
already given.
yes.
Already awarded in the affidavit, they have clarified, man, kindly come to page 91 of their affidavit. Running page 91.
Hmm.
Here, man, kindly see in home guard experience 0 marks. That is the after re-verification. And the SPO 2 marks.
Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Yes, experience.
But it is not there in the original thing, it was not there. Mr. Islam, in the original, that rejection of yours, where is that? You get
That is page 44.
40.
That is the performance slip.
Ah.
Here,
Here,
The
SPO, no experience.
SPO, man, kindly see the first column.
Hmm.
The post applied for SPO exam date so and so. That is the late Purfullo Gogoi, OBC, MOBC, this is the certificate. SPO he has given, but that mark was not given. But in case of the advanced training in home guard, in last part,
Okay.
the 2 marks is given.
Mr. Goswami, this is your tabulation at page 91,
Yes, lordship, my
Huh?
tabulation. Yes, lordship,
right?
lordship.
So here you give 2 marks for
SPO,
SPO, 2 marks for home guard advanced training,
Yes.
right? Now, who can have a home guard advanced training? Only a home guard can have a home guard advanced training. So he gets 2 marks again.
Lordship, in marks, it is column wherein written as marks secured in extracurricular activities.
Ah.
It is in the column of educational qualification 2, Lordship.
Oh.
Is the home advanced training 2.
Hmm.
Now, that 2 is that 2 marks is for home guard, Lordship.
No,
No.
that is for
Advanced
advanced
is-
training.
Different.
That I have to clarify, Lordship.
You clarified this.
No, Lordship,
Now,
what
if
is
he
what
gets
is the
2 marks-
what
See,
is the
only clarification that you can give me is whether a person can have a home guard advanced training without being a home guard.
Lordship?
That much only.
And now SPO given 2 marks.
Mr. J.K. Goswami, I heard Mr. R. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. J.K. Goswami, senior government advocate. The petitioner in the present proceedings, in pursuance to an advertisement dated 13/12/2017, issued for a recruitment of against the post of constable from amongst SPOs against sanctioned posts of AISF battalions, had submitted his candidature complete in all respect. The petitioner has projected in the writ petition that he has an experience of serving as a home guard and also as a special police officer, bracketed SPO. The petitioner was permitted to participate in the recruitment process, and on conclusion thereof, the petitioner was found to have secured 47 marks in the various components of the selection process. So the cutoff marks being 51 for general and OBC candidates, the petitioner not having achieved the cutoff marks, the petitioner was not included in the select list so prepared. Also, the petitioner being aggrieved has instituted the present proceedings. Mr. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that a perusal of the performance slip,
Yes.
annexed as Annexure 6 to the writ petition would go to reveal that the petitioner for extracurricular activities was given 2 marks only for the Home Guard Advanced Training Certificate as possessed by him. He submits that the petitioner was not given any marks for the Home Guard service as Home Guard as well as SPO. Mr. Islam submits that in the event the petitioner is marked for the experience possessed by him as a Home Guard as well as an SPO, the petitioner would the marks secured by the petitioner would be enhanced, and he would come within the cutoff marks for recruitment as constable. Mr. Islam points further further submits that similarly situated persons who were not marked for having experience as SPOs and or Home Guards had approached this court by way of instituting several writ petitions, one of which is WPC number 3734/2022. A coordinate bench of this court-wide order dated 10/5/2024 was pleased to dispose of the said writ petitions by directing that wherein the certificate submitted by the candidature, a specified tenure of the service rendered by them as Home Guard and or SPO is not discernible, such candidate shall be given 2 marks for such service so rendered by them. Also, In pursuance, full stop, the respondent, full stop, Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the respondents has submitted that in pursuance to the directions passed by this court, wide the order dated
10/5/2020.
10/5/24 in WPC number 3734/22 and other analogous matters. The marks scored by the petitioner was revisited by the departmental authorities, and the petitioner now was extended with 2 marks, was awarded 2 marks for the XPO experience possessed by him, inasmuch as no specific tenure for the same was discernible from the documents brought on record. So, he, however, submits that the petitioner was not given any marks for the HC home guard experience garnered by him. So, the above contentions of the learned counsel for the parties, when perused in the light of the marks scored by the petitioner and brought on record by the respondent authorities in the affidavit, it is seen that the petitioner has been awarded 2 marks for the home guard advanced training undergone by him and 2 marks for the XPO experience. However, he has not been awarded any marks for the home guard experience possessed by him. The advertisement dated 13/12/2017 for extracurricular activities and special skills. A maximum of 40 marks is provided for, and the experience for home guard is to be reckoned as follows. Apostrophe. 1 year experience will earn 1 mark in each qualifying year. Full stop. Those who have completed advanced training will be awarded 2 extra marks. Also, total marks will not exceed 10 marks. Quoting on deliver. A perusal of the set provision with regard to award of marks for experience and home guard would reveal that in addition to the marks required to be granted to a candidate for the experience garnered as a home guard, such candidate, if have completed the advanced training, would be awarded 2 extra marks. Also, the petitioner herein, the respondents having recognized the home guard training undergone by the petitioner, home guard advanced training undergone by the petitioner, and granted to him 2 marks, which in terms of the stipulations made in the advertisement is not connected with the experience. For the marks, with the marks required to be assigned for the experience as a home guard, it is not discernible why the petitioner has not been awarded any marks for the home guard experience possessed by him. So, in view of the above, heard Mr. R. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned counsel, additional senior government advocate, appearing for the respondent. During the course of the hearing, an issue having arisen as to why the petitioner, while being awarded 2 marks for the home guard advanced training or training certificate possessed by him, was not awarded marks for the home guard experience also possessed by him, Mr. J.K. Goswami submits that he would complete his instructions in the matter and apprise this court about the same on 11. On 12/12. 12, you're not here.
11/12, I will not be.
15/12. 15/12/2025. Registry to list this matter again on 15/12/2025 for advance hearing. For further hearing. Type query to me.
Much.
I've just dictated it, so
Lordship,
when I get your that part,
Or-
we'll.
Lordship. Okay. Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, we received the instructions, Lordship, and Parawa's comment, Lordship. I have to file the affidavit, Lordship.
File.
No, I have to file, Lordship. After vacation, Lordship, any date during this time, I will file.
Lordship, a date may be fixed.
Hmm?
Date may be fixed. Because from last 3 occasion. Time.
Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned counsel, learned additional senior government advocate, submits that he has received the instructions in full and would file the affidavit in the matter on or before. On or before.
Lordship, 20 January. January 20.
You have received complete.
Yes, January first,
By 19.
second week, Lordship.
19th of December.
Lordship, some because I have to prepare today I received, Lordship. I have to prepare
On
and for vetting, Lordship. Is required.
9/1/2025.
9/1, Lordship.
Registry to list this matter again on 21/1/2026.
Lordship.
Mr. Soma, please taken that the license of your architect. That is the case?
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Who had lapsed. Have that affidavit.
My lord, I have, that is filed by the private respondent, my lord.
He has brought on record a stand that the license of your, or the some undertaking, whatever it is, had lapsed. What would be the effect of that?
My lord, what has happened is that after the tender was floated, we had quoted approximately 45 lakhs.
So we got it. I got everything.
My lord.
Now, your thing, they have rejected that it was not uploaded by a, or it was not given by that site map was not by a.
By an engineer.
That is stretching the matter too much. An architect is also a competent
And
person
if
to.
your lordship sees the certificate, the architect as well as engineer was there.
Fine, we got it. But he says, now the affidavit says that the private response, that the architects, some registration has lapsed. 2023.
My lord, if I would most humbly, if I may say so, if I go to a lawyer, I do not ask him if he has.
No. That would be material because then that whole thing would be frustrated.
My lord, but what other side also, my lord, they have not
Uploaded that list.
Annexure C.
See.
Annexure C, they have not.
Show me in the from the minutes of the from the conditions that any document uploaded must be uploaded in the website. A hard copy will not do. Any condition anyway. Because the standard
At page 20, at page 20 is the NIT, my lord. First of all, at page 20. The district collector Tinsukia district invites shop-wise electronic bids for grant of IMFL retail off license in the district of.
No, show me that they say that, okay, that list was not given uploaded, but it was there in the hard copy submitted.
It has to be a verbatim copy of the.
That's what I'm saying. Somewhere, some indication somewhere.
I'll just come to it.
We can have it at 2 dot, if you can just, if you're here at second up.
I'm here, I'll just come to it. It was, my lord.
Yes.
At
Our stand is that lordship, that in that bid document lordship, that was not that side document was not countersigned by the engineer lordship.
Countersigned, where is that requirement of a counter
It's
signature?
171, not countersigned, expected. What is lordship? In page 53 lordship.
Certified by an engineer.
Certified, sir, sorry.
So that is the engineer giving it what more certification. When I'm giving something on my own, should I certify it in my judgment that I am certifying that this judgment was delivered by me?
Lordship.
That's too technical.
Lordship. My lord,
And you are getting 45 lakhs.
because we have not opened the price bid, so we have not ever.
45 price bids.
No, we have technical bid here.
No, you opened the price bids also. 10 lakhs something.
But there is better private respondent, Lordship. That is better private because he
But you have not opened his.
Yes, yes. Okay.
But once, my lord, there is a call for EB notice at page 66, my lord.
66.
It's EB notice. Response to the EB is invited online through e-tendering system. That is through websites so and so from the tendering bidders, from the intending bidders for grant of IMFL retail off licenses to the successful bidders. The schedule is there, EB publishing on portal, EB download.
No, I'm not on that. Whether if Annexure C is not given, where is Annexure C?
My lord, we have, because there was a rejection of Annexure C. Because
Earlier,
because in other districts also, because there's
where is that
uniform
Annexure
policy.
C? Here?
I'll just come to it. That's rejection is at Annexure 8, page 364.
No. Where is the Annexure C in the, that is at page 95.
Checklist of bidder eligibility criteria in technical bid.
It's 98.
And what do you say about page 375?
675. All affidavit confirm. Affidavit confirm. Affidavit.
My lord, here, my lord. At that point of time, maybe, my lord, membership was last, but it was restored, my lord.
From the retrospect.
My lord, it was restored.
Where do I get that?
My
I
lord,
have not
that-
filed a response to this.
That was restored, my lord. We have not filed it on document. We can bring it to the, bring it on record. My, that was subsequently that was rectified, my lord.
Can you file it by tomorrow?
We can file it by tomorrow.
Huh? We'll have it on Wednesday.
Lordship.
So that is the only thing.
Yes, yes.
And Mr. Bhattakur, you have not uploaded the Annexure C.
We have made a specific environment that
You have not uploaded.
No,
You
that-
have given a hard copy only.
No,
You
you're
have not put it in the, this here.
Lord.
Hard copy is just a shadow of what is there in the website.
Lordship.
It cannot be anything more or less. So now
That's checklist, your lordship.
checklist.
Lordship.
That's a requirement. It's a part of the document. It's a requirement.
That my statement is I have, your lordship.
They say that you have given a hard copy,
Lordship.
not a.
That probably, your lordship, can be verified from the record only, your lordship.
On Wednesday, I shall also bring to your lordship's notice as to that the requirement that if there's a e-bidding system, it is to be a total e-bidding system. They
No,
cannot.
It should be in the. I found it somewhere. Wait. The respond number 6 had duly submitted Annexure C in the hard copy of the technical bid
Hello.
as per clause 10 of the bid document. Now let us see what is clause 10.
Clause 10. Page 33.
Page
33.
30.
Three.
Why is there two bid documents here? There are two bid document NITs in the record.
My lord.
There were two NITs issued.
No, only for this particular office, only one.
Page 33. Come to page 34. 10.3.1. Below that, formats and signing. shall prepare one electronic copy each of the stage 1 technical qualification bid and financial security. Bid shall also prepare one hard copy of the technical bid. So you have given the hard copy, but where is the finding that it is also there in the
If my lord allows me, at page 35 is a submission of EB. Next page, my lord, 35 of my writ petition. The bid submission module of Assam e-bid procurement website, so when it enables the bidders to submit the e-bids online in response to the e-bid published by the district collector. Bid submission can be done only from the bid submission start date and time till the bid submission end date and time given in the e-bid. Bidders should start the bid submission process well in advance so that they can submit the e-bids in time. The bidder should submit the e-bid considering server time displayed in e-bid website. The server time is so and so, which the e-bid submission activity will be allowed till the permissible time and the last date and date of submission indicated in the e-bid schedule. Once the e-bid submission date and time is over, the bidder cannot submit his e-bid. For delay in submission of e-bid due to any reasons, the bidder shall only be held responsible. The bidder must follow the following instructions for submission of the e-bid. 1. For participating in e-bid through the e-bidding system, it is necessary for the bidder to be registered users of e-bid website. Now, in addition, in Roman 2, in addition to the normal registration, the bidder must match with her digital signature certificate in the e-bidding system. And subsequently, she will be allowed to carry out his e-bid submission activities. Registering the digital signature certificate is the one-time activity.
You just check up that sentence. Mr. R. Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, submits that he would bring on record a rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 6. By tomorrow, by Wednesday. Registry to list this matter again on 11th. We'll close it on 11th. If that be so, if that is so hyper technical with him, with regard to that, sorry, we'll also be
No,
hyper.
your lordship will kindly see, apart from that, I have brought on two defects in his, the Dag number and Patta number, in respect of which he has signed the agreement, your lordship. Through RTI, we have obtained, your lordship, the report from the circle officer, that Dag number, your lordship, his room is not in that Dag number. In a number, your lordship, it's a government plot of land, your lordship. That is specifically mentioned.
Clarify that.
But the tendering authority has not rejected.
No,
that.
One thing, tendering authority, we had not reached that stage because it had rejected your bid. It would have reached that stage if it allows your bid. Now that your technical bid has been rejected, he has taken a plea. So if you have projected a government land, why should we come in your favor?
I should clarify on that.
Just clarify on that.
All right.
Status has.
Now, my lord, the director has filed affidavit, my lord.
Yes. Who are you appearing for?
Appearing for respondent number, all. No.
Why is the money not released?
Sent. Proposal has been sent for
Who sent the proposal?
Director.
Director of Women and Child
Women and
Development.
Child
Who
Development.
is appearing for the government in the Women and Child Development Department? You are appearing. So you are appearing for both. Why is the government sitting over the matter from 17-9 when the money is available, everything is available? Why an instruction is not produced before this court on that lines? Why is the government sitting over the matter? Proposal is right, everything has been admitted. The money is not being paid. Why? Should the citizen run on out? At 2 o'clock, 2:30, kindly get this instruction. from your secretary. That much only?
Yes, Lordship.
You are appearing, Mr. Goswami, in this.
Lordship.
You are appearing for the response.
Yes, Lordship.
Oh,
He's my
fingerprint.
junior Lordship. He is
Yes,
my-
why the money is not released?
Lordship, I heard told this. Lordship.
You want to
Yes.
have the,
No, Lordship, first of all, Lordship, category in our affidavit, Lordship, we stated that in paragraph 3, that Lordship, that it may be mentioned here that CDPO so and so project submit the proposal in regards, but due to the shortage of fund during the financial year 24-25, the terminal benefit to the above AWW could not be paid, Lordship. It is paragraph 3, Lordship. And again, Lordship, paragraph 5, that as such a proposal of the terminal benefit for sanction of the above mentioned amount has been submitted to the government, so and so letter dated so and so. However, the payment could not be met after accorded sanction from the government. Additionally, it may be noted that out of total 2,150 numbers of the beneficiary, so and so is being included in the proposal, Lordship. Proposal was
the
given.
petitioner's entitlement to the
Yes.
amount admitted?
It is admitted, Lordship. Proposal sent.
Sent.
Proposal sent. Now we are waiting, Lordship.
Waiting.
That is the so, Lordship.
Okay, we'll
Lordship.
call the secretary
no,
because the
Lordship.
director is represented.
Yes.
Secretary is not.
No.
We'll call him
No,
at 2 o'clock.
No, Lordship. I am representing the secretary, Lordship.
Now you come to page
Yes,
32.
Lordship. Yes, 32, Lordship.
Come to page 32.
32,
Come to
it is
the bottom
Yes,
portion,
Lordship.
just after the table.
Yes.
Read that line.
Yes, there is sufficient budget provision in the current year's budget to 25-26. It means 24-25, there is no budget.
Forget,
Now
we are
20
gone. We're 25,
No,
26
yes.
under the appropriate head of account.
Lordship, this affidavit was filed, Lordship. It is on 10-11-2025. Lordship, present status, I have to take the instruction.
2 o'clock.
Lordship, tomorrow, Lordship. Tomorrow, Lordship, at 10, Lordship. Tomorrow at 10:30, Lordship.
You are not asking for the register. to listen.
Tomorrow, Lordship, at 10:30.
I am here till I have a bench at 2:50. If required, I'll come back and sit. I want this information.
It will be
Tomorrow.
tomorrow 10:30,
Tomorrow 2 p.m.
Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. J.K. Goswami, on a counsel for the respondent who submits that he would receive instructions as to the date by which the petitioner, as to why the petitioner has not been released his admitted dues. Although it is projected by the director in the affidavit that the funds requisite to meet up the dues of the petitioner is available in the budget provision already made. Also, registry to list this matter again on Wednesday, Wednesday as the first item.
Lordship.
It is provided that in the instructions are not forthcoming,
I will.
this court would consider passing directions requiring the presence of the secretary to the women social welfare.
Social welfare.
Social welfare, or it's called women and child.
Yes.
What is the department?
Lordship,
Social welfare.
Lordship, it is
Social welfare department.
yes.
For assisting this court in disposal.
Women
of
and
the-
child development, Lordship.
Yeah, just write down the
Women.
paper and give it. Remind me, Mr. on the next day.
Lordship, I will.
4 lakh rupees may be nothing for you,
I will.
but for these people, 4 lakhs is like 40 lakhs. Get my point? The more you delay, the more you're
Lordship.
depriving them.
Lordship.
My lord, the matter may be time being made. There is on leg.
Time being.
May I please your lordship? Lordship kindly pass over the matter for time being.
Going?
Engaged counsel is on legs in another court.
Oh.
H. Ali lordship.
You argue. What
I'm
is the
H.
matter?
A. does lord.
What is the matter?
So matter is selection and appointment of state government employees lordship.
He's not a state government employee. Rampura is not a state government employee. Why? What is the ground for challenge? Where is your file? Where is your file, madam?
Brief is with my senior.
These opportunities you should not let go. At 2 o'clock, get your file, read it, come and argue. I'll not hear your senior, I'll hear you. When was the account closed?
It was
Madam.
much prior to the advertisement, Lordship.
Then why is it not mentioned in the certificate issue? Subsequent certificate.
The earlier certificate is
No,
available.
the
If you have-
subsequent certificate.
Earlier certificate is available, it was on
Mr.
record.
Doctor, when a bank account is closed, a date is given,
Yes.
right? Otherwise, the bank account is, or it may be a loan, it may be something, it's always there in currency. The second certificate gives a date,
Yes.
which is after the date of the advertisement. So you're a defaulter on the date of the
No,
advertisement.
the first certificate is there.
No, second certificate. The certificate, second certificate that has been given. Mr. Doctor, which will be, why was the second certificate given then by the authorities?
It was due to some technical mistake. They have issued it. When I approached it,
They said that, yes, because of some technical issues.
Yes.
You say, because of some technical
no,
issues.
they say that, so there are some technical issues, so wrongly it was.
We don't know, it's not reflected anyway. Where is it reflected
But-
about the
But
technical
the
issues?
first certificate is available on record.
We are not concerned with the first certificate. When was the date of
No,
advertisement?
Lordship, before the authority, when the appeal was preferred, we have placed both the certificates.
When was the last date of the advertisement?
Last date of advertisement 8/8/22.
8/8, 22.
And
Come to page 57.
57. Now, in my affidavit, Lordship, I have annexed both.
Come to page 50.
In
105.
Yes, before that, 104 is there, Lordship.
Forget 104. We are not concerned with 100. What about 105?
It is date of issue is 11/5/23.
And see that cleared all the outstanding dues and the loan account is closed on 11/5.
Before that,
So
Lordship,
then here, how can it be reopened if the loan account is already closed on 10/5/2022? Explain that when after madam finishes. That much only.
then bank should be.
Why should I?
party.
Why should I?
Because-
Go by the documents
because
you
the-
produce.
Because before that,
Mr.
this is.
Doctor, this is an affidavit filed by you.
Yes, Lordship.
If it is 10/5, 11/5 there,
I have,
why should I go a step
I have
further?
stated that first certificate is given. This is the on 10/5/2022.
I'm concerned with the second certificate. That is also from the bank. Your affidavit.
I have
You argue. Second of.
They have suppressed the first certificate. That is annexed in my.
Oh, they will not
file.
have anything. You will only have everything.
No, it is.
Now you have brought
it
the
is-
second
it
certificate
is
also.
taken from the written statement I have filed before the appellate. authority.
Now you have brought the second certificate also, which takes it beyond the date of.
No, I have annexed both the certificate before the appellate authority.
This court has a doubt now. You clarify. এইটো প্ৰথম মাতি দিবা।
Lordship, we have filed the affidavit in opposition in this case. However, the same is not on record today.
কিবা ৰিকুৱেষ্ট আছিল নহয়? নাই।
Lordship, a similar matter has been heard today in court number 7, Your Lordship. And a date has been fixed on the 17th of this month, Your Lordship.
Similar on the same petitioner.
Petitioners are different, Lordship, but the issue is same. Both of them are under
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Lordship, fixed on 17th, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, you fix that date. You want
Obliged.
that court to hear, I can't send it to that court. You will have to send. You make a prayer in that court to get this matter along with that on the next date of listening.
Lordship, if the matter can be tagged, I can state.
I cannot, because it will come here then. I cannot bring it here.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, Lordship, I have to file an affidavit here in this case as per the direction of this honorable court in the last occasion, Lordship. The present position, Lordship.
I'm sorry, that is not the direction. That is, your submission is that you will
Sir.
receive instructions.
Yes, Lordship. No,
In accordance with the so and so, what has happened? What has happened? Tell me.
yes, the position is that we had submitted the proposal to the finance, Lordship.
Hmm.
Finance asked some queries and it will be raise some queries and we are going to submit the such queries for approval, Lordship.
I'm sorry.
Kindly,
This order was passed on 34/24.
Yes, Lordship.
What did you do thereafter?
Lordship, we submitted the proposal, Lordship, to the finance.
When?
The direct.
The present,
Lordship.
the petitioner by way of instituting the present writ petition has prayed for release of his areas of his salaries with effect from 2/6/2017 to 31/7/2013 and with effect from 1/8/2013 to 34/2014. So during the set period for which the petitioner is claiming salaries, he was placed under suspension. The order of suspension of the petitioner was revoked. By order dated 17/6/2023, right?
yes.
No departmental proceeding was instituted against the petitioner. Oh, no, continue. Thereafter, while order dated 34/2024, the period of suspension of the petitioner with effect from 2/6/2017. What is this? 1/8 to 34? A second of it. We'll take it about second. No, 2 o'clock. Just note the facts and then.
Lordship, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
What are the periods?
Period, my lord, page number 26, my lord. Reinstate up to issue of regularization. Page number 26.
Complete period is of suspension only.
Suspension and thereafter.
When were you placed under suspension?
My lord, page number 15. Ninth of June 2017. With effect from
2/6.
2/6.
And reinstated?
Reinstated, my lord, page number 21.
17/6/23.
Lordship.
And what is the other period? 1/8/23 to.
Reinstate to regularize.
Hmm?
Reinstate to regularize. Suspended period, page number 25.
Okay. লিখেছিলেন What's me লিখেছিলেন? Record আগুত শুনিলে। তাকেতো মাৰিব নালাগে বুলি কৈ দিয়ে। The petitioner in the present proceedings has prayed for a direction upon the respondent authorities for release of his areas of salary for the period with effect from 2/6/2017 to 31/7/2023 when he was placed under suspension. The petitioner has also prayed for the release of his arrears due to him with effect from 1/8/2023 to 34/2024. When he was on his promotion to the post of senior assistant. Also, the respondents had regularized his period of absence, had regularized the period of suspension upon his reinstatement as a duty wide issuance of an order dated 30/4/2024. Also, thereafter, the petitioner was also promoted to the post of senior assistant wide order dated 25/4/2024. Also, the period with effect from the period with effect from 1/8/2023 to 34/2024, the claim of area salaries is on account of the non-royal of salaries for the said period. Also, the Director, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department had wide communication dated 22/1/2025 required the government in the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department to release, to accord approval for royal of salaries of the petitioner for the above mentioned period for an amount of rupees 13,08,280 লিখি দিবা। So it is seen that after 22/1/2025, although they said although they said developments had taken place in the matter, the petitioner's arrears of salary has not been authorized to him. Also, on the last date of listing, Mr. Goswami had submitted that he had obtained instructions with regard to the manner in which the area salary proposal of the petitioner has been processed and prayed for filing an affidavit to bring the same on record. It is seen that no such affidavit has been filed in the matter. Also, in view of the above, Mr. J.K. Goswami, Additional Senior Government Advocate, shall receive instructions from the respondent authorities as to why the admitted area salaries of the petitioner has not been released till date. Also, he would further apprise this court on the next date of listing, the date by which the said amount, the amounts of the area salaries of the petitioner would be released to him. Registrate to list this matter again on 17/12/2025 for further consideration.
Lordship, Lordship, I am here. I am appearing as a standing counsel, Animal Husbandry
Additional
and
Senior
Veterinary
Government Advocate, no, Standing Counsel, Animal Health and Veterinary
Department. Lordship. Lordship.
Yeah. Third, the learned counsel for the parties at length. Hearing concluded, judgment reserved. এইখিনি মই দি দিম আধা, বাকি মই তাৰপৰা revision লেখা। Heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. M. Bachaji, learned additional senior government appearing for the state respondents.
Item 2, I also appear. PH is there.
This is PHE.
Yes, yes.
Also heard for respondent number 3 and 4, huh? Mr. D. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, PHC, for respondent number 1, 2, and 5. The petitioner in the present proceedings has prayed for a direction, has prayed for a direction upon the state level committee bracketed SLC to select the petitioner for appointment on compassionate grounds in terms of the recommendations made in his case by the jurisdictional district level committee bracketed DLC in its meeting held on 28/2/2019. So the petitioner hearing. So the petitioner's father, Horipodo Das, while serving as a mechanic in the public health engineering department, had died in harness on 26/11/2016. So the petitioner thereafter submitted an application on 6/1/2017 before the departmental authorities for consideration of his case for appointment on compassionate grounds. The application as submitted by the petitioner came to be placed before the jurisdictional district level committee and was considered by the said committee in its meeting held on 28/2/2019. The said committee on such consideration proceeded to recommend the case of the petitioner for appointment on compassionate grounds against a post identified for the purpose. Also, the recommendations as made by the as made by the jurisdictional district level committee came to be forwarded for placing before the state level committee in its state level committee. Also, the state level committee having not considered the case of the petitioner, and no intimation in this connection being forwarded, being issued to him, the petitioner approached this court by way of instituting a writ petition being WPC number 6905/2022. This court, wide order dated -2/11/2022, proceeded to dispose of the said writ petition by directing the respondent authorities to place the case of the petitioner before the state level committee in its next meeting. Also, the consideration as required to be made by the state level committee not having been made in terms of the directions passed by this court in WPC number 6905/2022, the petitioner being aggrieved again approached this court by way of instituting a writ petition being WPC number 2075/2023. Also, during the pendency of the said writ petition, the respondent authorities had placed before this court the minutes of the meeting of the state level committee dated 14/5/2020, wherein the case of the petitioner on consideration came to be rejected. Also, the Also, in view of the said development, this court-wide order dated 19/9/8/2023 proceeded to dispose of the said writ petition being WPC number 2075/2023 So, accordingly, the petitioner has instituted the present proceedings assailing the decision of the state level committee arrived at in its meeting held on 14/5/2020 in so far as the case, a rejection of the case of the petitioner herein is concerned. So, Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the case of the petitioner being recommended by the district level committee in its meeting held on 28/2/2019 and for appointment on compassionate grounds, and such a recommendation being so made against a identified sanctioned vacant post, the state level committee could not have proceeded to reject the case of the petitioner on the ground that there was no vacant post available. Mr. Chaudhary submits that the petitioner herein was diligently pursuing his claim for appointment on compassionate grounds, and prior to the institution of the present proceedings, he had instituted two other proceedings before this court on the same ground. Mr. Chaudhary has submitted that the recommendations made by the state level committee being having been so made without properly appreciating the recommendations made in favor of the petitioner by the district level committee, the recommendations insofar as the case of the petitioner herein is concerned by the rejection of the case of the petitioner herein by the state level committee in its meeting held on 14/5/2020 would mandate an interference by this court. Mr. Chaudhary, by referring, has further submitted that the respondent authorities had, during the pendency of the present proceedings, issued an office memorandum dated 18/9/2024 in supersession of the policy relating to compassionate appointment notified by the government of Assam wide OM dated 1/6/2015 and (1/6/2015). Also, he submits that persons similarly situated like the petitioner herein had assailed the said OM dated 18/9/2024 before this court by way of instituting writ petitions, one of which is WPC number 342 of 2025. Also, he further submits that a coordinate bench of this court, on consideration of the issues arising in the matter, was pleased with judgment dated 3/4/2025 rendered in the case of Abdul Qadir Bokshi and others versus State of Assam and others and other analogous writ petitions, reported in 2025(3) GLT 896, notice appreciating the concession granted in the matter by the state respondents, permitted the cases of the petitioners therein to be considered by the state level committee / the district level committee as the case may be on its own merits in spite of the issuance of the office memorandum dated 18/9/2024. He submits that the petitioner's case being similarly placed would also be required to be remanded back to the state level committee for a fresh consideration by taking into account the recommendations made in favor of the petitioner by the jurisdictional DLC. Per contra, Mr. D. Gogoi and Ms. M. Bachaji, learned counsels representing the respondent department, has submitted that a perusal of the minutes of the state level committee meeting held on 14/5/2020 would reveal that the case of the petitioner was rejected on it being found to not fall within the 5% quota mandated for appointment on compassionate grounds in relation to the grade 4 post of Khalasi existing in the establishment wherein the father of the petitioner had served before his death in harness. This court has been apprised that in the establishment of the respondent number 5, there exists 7 posts of grade 4 Khalasi and 5% thereof not forming a 1 post, comma. The case of the petitioner cannot be held to be covered by the scheme for appointment on compassionate grounds, and accordingly, no vacancy being available for consideration of the case of the petitioner, the rejection of his case by the state level committee would not mandate an interference from this court. Anything more?
Nothing.
Also, I've heard the learned counsel for the parties and also perused the materials on record. The facts noticed herein above are not in dispute. The case of the petitioner on being considered by the district level committee, by the jurisdictional district level committee in its meeting held on 28/2/2019, a recommendation in his favor came to be made. So the said recommendation having not been considered by the state level committee, proceedings came to be instituted before this court, as noticed herein above. However, the case of the petitioner was considered by the state level committee in its meeting held on 14/5/2020, and therein on consideration of the claim of the petitioner, his case came to be rejected on the ground that it does not fall within the 5% cadre strength as mandated for appointment on compassionate grounds. Also, this court, in view of the submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties, has examined the reason assigned by the state level committee for rejection of the case of the petitioner. Also, this court finds that the cadre strength of the cadre of grade 4 is 7 posts. Also, 5% of the set posts, 7 posts would work out to 0.35. The same being below 1, below 1, there would be, it has to be held that there was no post vacant within the 5% quota mandated for appointment on compassionate grounds for consideration of the case of the petitioner for such appointment. Also, accordingly, this court does not find any error with the reason as assigned by the state level committee in its meeting held on 14/5/2020 for the purpose of rejecting the case of the petitioner hearing for appointment on compassionate grounds. So, having drawn the said conclusion, this court would examine the contention raised by the petitioner that his case would also be required to be considered afresh by the state level committee in terms of the directions passed by the coordinate bench of this court in the case of Abdul Qadir Bakshi, Supra. So, this court has perused the directions passed by the coordinate bench of this court in the above noted case and finds that the same would be mandated to be applied in case of the petitioner only if this court is of the considered view that the decision rendered in the case of the petitioner hearing by the state level committee would mandate an interference. This court, having already concluded that the decision of the state level committee arrived at in respect of the petitioner in its meeting held on 14/5/2020 to require no interference, comma, further further direction for consideration, reconsideration of the case of the petitioner by the state level committee would not be called for. Also, having a full stop. At this stage, it is also to be noted that the father of the petitioner had died in harness on 26/11/2016. Around 9 years have lapsed since have passed on since the date of death of the petitioner. So, it is a settled position of law that an appointment on compassionate grounds is to be extended to the family of a deceased government employee proximate to the time of his death so as to mitigate the financial constraints faced by the family on the sudden death of the bread earner of the family. Also, the appointment on compassionate grounds is to be so granted with accordingly, immediacy of appointment on compassionate ground proximate to the time of death of the government servant is the benchmark that is to be followed in the matter. In the present case, it is seen that the petitioner and his family members have sustained for the last around 9 years without any one of them being extended with an appointment on compassionate grounds. Also, Baki. Dismissed.
The instruction is yet to come, your lord.
Instruction? What instruction?
Matter.
Mr. Ghosh,
I'm sorry, the instructions are not with us.
not coming. Who was to give you the instruction?
Chief, the issue is that on the earlier date, I prayed for time because the brief is not with us. Subsequently, we asked for the brief from the petitioners. So now they say that even they are not able to trace out the brief.
Then we'll dismiss it. Both of you have nothing to do. Why should this heavy file be moving around with us?
That burden.
Dismiss it. Come back whenever you want.
Lordship, after
I'll record both of you don't know what is the matter. Dismiss it. Why should this heavy matter be every day carried around by the staff of the High Court?
Lordship, if I may pray, can it come after vacation?
No.
By then.
No, I want it. I want it. What is this? You don't get an instruction. Call the officer. I'll interact with him. Come ask him to come online. I'll interact with him.
Lordship,
What has happened after that? Have you made those Gaon Panchayat level coordinators accountants? What is their condition? Are they continuing? This much only we want to know.
I'll just pay for a short accommodation, Lordship.
Short accommodation, 430.
Lordship, at least let me reconstruct the brief, Lordship. Both of us.
You take a second file to DDI. Iman jodi iye hoise. Etu na. Every day only adjournment. You take this file. What is there in that file to see? It is nothing but their appointment orders. Nothing is there. Only that last page, there is 2 documents. You make a note. We are having it on Thursday. Mr. A.K. Ghosh is granted a last opportunity to apprise this court about the stand of the respondents in the matter. In the event on the next date, the instructions are sought for are not placed before this court would consider passing orders requiring the presence of the competent authority of the department to assist this court in disposal of the writ petition. The petitioner shall also apprise this court as to their present service status. Thursday. Thursday board revision. Friday. And one day more, if I have to require to carry this file, both of you 50,000, 50,000. Although requests were made for accommodation of the matter for the time being on 2 occasions today, on the ground that the agreeing counsel was on legs in a different court. Also, when the matter is called up for the 3rd time, also there is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Also, accordingly, for the ends of justice, this matter be called up again on Wednesday. The Wednesday mane date to degree. Date to degree. Amen.
May I please your lordship?
Yes, Mr. Dotto.
Lordship, I have example is that I have a loan account.
We are not, we don't know much.
Yes.
But tell me, what is the purport of this
First
105?
First is, I have no outstanding dues as on in the year 22. All the installment has been paid.
Where do I get it from? 105.
Lordship, 104, Lordship will find.
104 we got it. After 104 we find.
Yes,
that there were
Lordship,
notice-
try to appreciate, although loan account is a separate account.
Mr. Dotto, we only want to know why this certificate was.
Yes,
issued
I
in this-
am going to address it, Lordship. I'm telling. I have paid all my dues, but I do not take the loan closure certificate. The requirement is no dues, no outstanding default, no defaulter, Lordship. On 10/5/22, Lordship, all the installment or whatever may be.
Mr. U. Dotto, learned counsel for the petitioner, shall on the next date of listing place before this court a certificate received from the Assam Gramin Vikas Bank authorities. Clearly, Assam Bank with regard to the date on which the petitioner had cleared his outstanding dues against loan account number 726925001960, page 105. What is that? Also, the said certificate should contain, should also disclose as to why in the event the petitioner had already cleared his dues on 10/5/2022, further notices were issued to the petitioner for requiring him to clear the purported clear the dues pending against his loan account, and as to why the certificate dated 11/5/2023, the branch manager of the said bank had certified that the loan account was closed only on 11/5/2023. The said certificate be placed before this court from the respondent, from the Assam Gramin Vikas Bank authorities of the concern, from the concerned branch of the Assam Gramin Vikas Bank on 17/12/2025.
17/12.
Bless.
17.
Morigaon. If somebody walks down to Morigaon also, he'll reach them much earlier. Yes.
We'll get.
Madam, next time, complete preparation, facts on your fingertips.
Yes,
How long have you been in practice?
3 months.
3 months. Oh. Yes, madam.
The respondents were asked.
No, respondents will come. How is this case maintainable before the High Court? He is a Bundukdhari railway employee or a non-Bundukdhari railway employee. He is a gun RPF personnel? No. He's a normal railway employee. Go before the Central Administrative Tribunal, not here. Who is appearing for the respondents?
I'm appearing on behalf of the OC Maibong Lordship, Maibong Police.
Madam, this case will not be maintainable here. You will have to go before the learned Central Administrative Tribunal. Get my point? Any service matters, any service condition, read 3Q of the Administrative Tribunals Act 1985 and the decision of the Supreme Court in the case of L. Chandra Kumar. Read both of this together, come back. On the prayer of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, registry to list this matter on Thursday. You read and come back. Tell me that this case would be maintainable. I will hear you. हाँ ठीक है सर.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, here we have received instruction, lordship. So we will file our affidavit in opposition, lordship. Kindly grant 3 weeks of time, lordship.
No, there is no problem in granting 3 weeks. But what is the guarantee that you will file it within 3 weeks?
Lordship, definitely file, lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. A.R. Tabildar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss
A. Sharma on behalf of B. Chakrabarti.
Ms. A. Sharma appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Chakrabarti, Learned CGC, appearing for the respondents. Ms. So-and-so submits that she be granted 3 weeks time to bring on record the stand of the respondents by way of filing an affidavit. She has also submitted that the instructions in them for filing of the affidavit has been received and the affidavit would be invariably filed within the time prayed for. Accordingly, a registry to list this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship. 34,
For the
there
last
was,
order, Mirot.
oh, this is, there was some confusion regarding one annexure.
Well, it is.
So now he has clarified it is from the PCC office. কোনটো আছিলে এইটো এইটো আমি হ্যান্ডেল কৰিম আপোনালোকৰ নহয় এই দিছে মোক
Is it no?
হোৱাটছএপত দিছে
Then my
Right,
promotion
your
has been kept under seal covered, Mirot. No charge sheet has been filed.
Yes, who is the person I should hear? You or
no it's me it was not clear man this has been clear so I'm seeking instruction
this is of no use.
Now he has a case he has a case man I'll admit it man because lordship will find the
Now tell me why he is not being promoted.
seal cover has been adopted man
Why?
they say there's a vigilance case
Vigilance case, what is the stage of that vigilance?
let me have that
Or
only.
you have
No,
filed
my
an
lord,
affidavit
my-
here.
my lord, that
Filed an affidavit, I suppose, no?
yes no but no, we
Who
have not
is
filed
respondent number 2? Or that is some other case.
yeah so my lord will kindly grant me some time
Come to page 33.
33 33
This is the dropping of the departmental proceedings.
No, what I'm trying to convey, my lordships, let me have the status of the vigilance case. If it is not charge sheeted, I'll give it.
Charge-sheeted when?
No, if it is, I have to check, my
When?
lord.
Charge-sheeted on which date?
Not, let it is charge sheeted or not, my lord. I have to know that. I want to know that. Only that limited instruction.
And if it is not charge-sheeted,
Then he-
on the
he
date
has-
the
he-
departmental proceeding is dropped.
Then it is allowed, my lords. Then he'll
without
get his.
reference to this court, promote him, then come back. We'll
No.
have it on 16th.
Very well.
If not charge-sheeted, I want the order of his promotion.
Well-
With this order, what will you do? You have
No.
dropped everything.
In that case, my lord, I have to take the status. If the status is, if it is not pending, if it's not charge sheeted,
said that if there is a seal cover and the departmental proceeding already dropped, on the threat of dropping of the departmental.
Yes, yes, his entire, I'm not
There
disputing that
is
thing.
no
I'm not
criminal
disputing,
charge
I'm
sheet
just,
passed, filed.
my lords.
Promote him immediately and
My
then
lords-
come back to this.
What I'm trying to convey is, I'm not contesting his claim. I might give in also. But I just want some formal communication from my department.
What I'm saying
Yes,
is I'm
Maharaj.
going a step further.
Yes.
Why should a citizen suffer? If there is no criminal case charge sheet
Lords.
in terms of Janaki Ram,
Yes, 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 Janaki Ram,
on
very
the
good.
date when you drop the departmental proceeding, promote him, open that seal cover, promote him.
For that also, I'll need some instruction because DPC has to sit.
Why?
Exactly on that point
Why?
also I should take
Where-
some
where- where
instructions,
is the
madam, because
requirement
only
of a
today,
DPC?
no, madam, only
Where
today
is
it
the
is clear.
requirement of a DPC sitting?
Somebody,
DPC has already given its recommendation.
so at least for that sake of that, for the sake of that, my lord, at least I have to know that
On
when
the
they are
prayer
going to
of
appeal.
Mr. D. Gogoi.
I'm not resisting his
standing
prayer.
Forest Department, registry to list this matter again on 16/12/2025. On the next date of listing, Mr. Gogoi shall apprise this court as
Yes,
to why
that'll do.
the petitioner has not been promoted to the post of Deputy Ranger.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Deputy Ranger, when the departmental proceedings instituted against him was dropped while order dated 5/9/2024, and as projected by the petitioner in the writ petition, there is no charge sheet filed in the vigilance case stated to be pending against him. It is to be noted that the parties to the proceeding have submitted that during the pendency of the departmental proceedings, for the purpose of the promotion in question, the case of the petitioner was considered and kept in seal cover. Also, registry to list this matter again on 16, na?
Nearly record.
16/12/2025.
I'm not contesting, my lord. Yes, that's all. Sometimes, my lord,
Secretary is coming online.
no, sometimes, my lord, see, my lord, lordship, what has happened, there was a confusion regarding that list. I was the one pointed out that give me the list, I'll try to assist you. That was the reason behind it.
That confusion is no confusion. That is a confusion only for the purpose of deferring the matter.
It depends, my lord. How blessed, my lord.
May I be your lordship? Lordship had inquired as to all the developments, whether they are after the transfer of the petitioners or prior to the transfer of the petitioner. This is the matter
Oh,
regarding
that
the
SBI.
Right, Lordship. Lordship, here the petitioner's father was initially hospitalized on 22/11/2024. Now they have filed the IA. I'll come to the 22/11/2024 at a later stage. He was released on 24/11/2024. The disability certificate was issued to his father on 29/5/2025, and the order of transfer.
Okay, who are there in your house?
Lordship, there's a petitioner's wife and minor's daughter
Mother?
and mother.
Mother is a caregiver.
Mother is also very old, Lordship. She
Where
cannot be
have
the
you
care.
stated? How old is your father?
Lordship, that is not specifically.
This ground.
No, but Lordship, see what they have given in their affidavit.
You know one thing, you go and join in Borpeta, thereafter
No,
make
Lordship, because the problem is, Lordship, the SBI guidelines, I am not challenging my transfer. I am only saying that if you transfer me within the Guwahati center. That is what is
That is
prescribed in
what
the
you
rule.
were doing when your father did not have this disability also. You were here from the date of your joining.
No,
In Guwahati Center.
no, Lordship.
You have given a list.
Lordship, yes, Lordship. I was transferred to other places also.
Where show me?
Yes.
You
Lordship
had given a
will
list
see-
somewhere.
Yes, I've given a list, Lordship.
Page number 12 of the.
Page number 12
Of the?
of the restitution. Initially joined at LHO Dispur. He was confirmed at LHO Dispur. He was in training. Then he was in Bornihat. Then he was in Hatigaon Sareli. Then he was in Mirza.
Oh,
then again
Mirza, Bornihat, Hatigaon.
No, Lordship, this
Oh.
comes within the Guwahati center.
Oh.
Now he is transferred to Borpeta, which is
If I
under the
send you
module.
now to Bornihat, you will come back before 5.
No, Lordship. What I'm praying, Lordship, is that he has the right to be transferred. They have the right to transfer me. That is not disputed. But if they
And
transfer,
see, if
they
your
have to transfer
father's
me within the
condition
center.
was this, why did you not bring it on record.
It was
the
on record
no,
between the
no, no,
authorities. Yes.
before, after the transfer.
No, 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 Lordship. It was
Before the,
yes, Lordship.
show me that.
Lordship will find that at page 29. Sorry, I'll show you. Lordship will turn to page 73 of the writ petition. This was in their portal.
Show me.
Page 73.
Hmm.
Lordship will find the fourth down column right side. Hiranmoy Dev Chaudhary.
No, no, I'm not on that. That is your family details.
No, Lordship, there you will see differently labeled.
Where?
Lordship, it's differently labeled near the designation column. In the second column, 18 below 18 November
When was the
1984.
transfer order issued?
Sorry?
Transfer order issued?
Transfer order. Transfer order was issued, Lordship, on 29/7/2025. This was prior to that. They have come up with a plea that I should have informed them before 31/3/2025. Now, where does the 31/3/2025 comes from, Lordship? In their minutes, in their guidelines, they have stated that the cutoff date shall be 30th of June every year. If your Lordship turns to page 39, there's only one date given. That is the cutoff date for the purpose of calculation.
Yes, Mr. Brahman.
Lordship, before going to the other aspects, we have filed an IA to bring on record one vital aspect, your Lordship. Annexure 4, it is on
Sir.
page 60.
IA is not on record, Lordship. They have filed the IA saying
What is
that
that, I?
Lordship, it is not on record. This document, your Lordship, the bank has verified from the hospitals. This document is a forged document.
They have not said the document is false. They have said that the UHID number does not match. That is the difference, Lordship, because there is a patient reference that his father was
What is this?
admitted in the
What is,
hospital.
as per that certificate, what is his problem, father's problem?
Locomotor disability to the extent of 40%.
Both legs.
Both legs.
Where do I get it?
Lordship, we have annexed that. Lordship
Forget
will,
the certificate.
yes.
I want the medical report.
The disability certificate, your Lordship will find at page 63, which was issued by the Department of Empowerment of Persons with
That we
Disabilities.
are not concerned. Where is the medical report supporting that?
Medical report.
Your Apollo hospitals.
Apollo Hospital, Lordship, your Lordship will find that at page 60. 60. They are saying that this UHID number, they have verified and it is found to be not matching. Lordship will the entire report is there along with the name of the doctors.
Now, where is that? His leg is not working.
Lordship, in the diagnosis, your Lordship will find acute paraparesis with 40% disability. At page 60 only.
This is doubtful.
Lordship, the certificate from the
This
authorities
is
will not
doubtful.
be doubtful.
Normally, a doctor, they will not give you this.
Lordship, Lordship will turn to page 63. This was done after a medical report by the competent authorities.
Oh.
Even-
Learned counsel for the parties. However, hearing remains inconclusive. It is stated by Mr. Standing Counsel SBI that an IA has been filed in the matter. Registered to discuss this matter again on 15/12/2025 along with the said interlocutory application. Also, interim order
Yes, sir.
to continue till the next date of the. I'm sorry, I'm having a bench at 3. I forgot.
Short prayer.
Lordship at
Item number 52.
50. Obliged, Lordship.
52.
Hmm.
Just I have to take a justice service on a person, my lord. Which that flow delivered
You have not furnished the address till now.
My lord, this address will do, my lord, for justice service.
You have said that address is, yes, Mr.
Yes, Lordship, item number 55. Yes, 55.
Ah.
That register service is delivered
Now it was consideration
for interim order. So next date
Not
fixed,
possible.
next date may be kindly fixed,
Next day.
Immediately after vacations.
Yes, for admissions. Lord.
admission load.
Mr. Sheikh, you can give the correct address?
No, my lord, this address, present address, what is available in the writ petition, my lord, on
That
that
will do.
we will do, my lord. That respondent number 6 may be strike down, my lord, on 7, I
You
will,
file an application for that.
my lord.
52. Mr. M.A. Sheikh submits that the addresses of the respondent number 6 and 7, as mentioned in the, as disclosed in the writ petition, would be sufficient for effecting services, and accordingly he prays. Dusty.
I will pray Dusty on respondent number 7. 6 may be struck down.
So you file an application. Accordingly, he prays that he would take fresh service steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 6 and 7 by way of speed post. He also prays that he be permitted to take steps for service of respondent number 7 by way of Dusty. Prayer accepted. Petitioner to take steps for service of respondent number 6 and 7 by way of speed post steps within 2 working days from today. The prayer of the petitioner for effecting service of notice upon the respondent number 7 by way of Dusty mode is also accepted. Petitioner to serve notice upon the respondent number 7 by way of Dusty mode, routed through the registry of this court, and file an affidavit upon such service being effected. Registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by. 55. Heard Mr. B. You are not there, Mr. Shaw.
Yeah, actually, there. My name is not recorded, my lord.
Oh,
It was there.
you are the invisible man.
Invisible.
Heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. It is submitted that the service of notice in the matter is complete.
Completed. The speed post to respondent number 15. Delivered.
Completed. Accordingly, it is prayed that the matter be taken up for admission hearing. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter after the ensuing vacations for admission hearing.
Except 9th of January, my lord. Must
Take a date. Yes.
I
Yes.
mention for 37 matter, any day next week matter. Challenging the departmental proceeding.
Not before vacations, Mr. This will hear.
Position code.
Listen to some file too.
Position I challenge the only departmental proceeding, my lord, and I am not required to make any body party in the case, my lord. Because, my lord, on the last occasion, I made a submission, my lord, by virtue of the fake complaints. I was placed under suspension, then it initiated departmental.
Oh, yes. Riaz Ahmed.
My lord. I am not against Riaz Ahmed, my lord. I am against the departmental proceeding, my lord.
What is there? You go participate, demonstrate these things, finish.
My lord,
There
after
is
my
a complaint
retirement,
against
my lord.
you.
After my
Mr.
retirement, my
Mr.
lord.
What happened? Your pensionary benefits will be withheld if required. Now tell me, you show me from your documents that you had carried out an inquiry. Where is the letter directing you to carry out the inquiry?
My lord, in officially they do not.
Then how can we take a view on that?
My lord, in the official, my lord, they used to ask, my lord.
I'm sorry.
Go for inquiry.
This is a proceeding. I think you must.
My lord,
You must
after my
participate.
retirement, my lord, they have issued so many one-man inquiry also behind the back of me, no copy, nothing.
Preliminary inquiry. You have given a show cause notice.
Only show cause notice I have.
Why, Mr.
He has already been issued show cause notice. I mean, filed reply, lordship.
Reply, and what about the
On
inquiry?
last to date, lordship, he was asked to appear before the disciplinary authority. He avoided.
My lord, I have not been served a copy, my lord. Let them show a copy.
What we do is, you fix a fresh date of
It's a
inquiry.
new case, lordship. Lordship will allow me some time to file my.
So you want to file your affidavit?
Yes, affidavit not yet filed, lordship.
I wanted to finish off this man.
It is only a second. Yes,
No.
it can be.
He will participate. Give him the date. He will go and participate.
Yeah.
When? You get a.
Last date was in the
My
month.
lord,
of
let him
November.
file affidavit, my lord. We'll reply to that.
Why affidavit here?
Whether, my lord, they can be done or not, my lord, after retirement.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter after 4 weeks. The respondents are at liberty to bring on record their stand by way of filing an affidavit, if so advised.
Lordship, that will be.
Nothing is there.
My
There
lord,
is an allegation.
My lord, there is decision also, my lord. If there is no pecuniary loss, my lord, after retirement, they cannot proceed.
This
with
is
the-
before retirement.
Before retirement.
This is
My lord,
before
now
retirement.
Inquiry officer. and subsequent
Oh,
order.
Mr. Your proceedings stood instituted before the retirement. Nothing is there. I can dismiss it. Require you to appear. We'll ask him to get the inquiry officer to issue a fresh date, fix a fixed date, place that on record, you appear, finish it off. It's better for you.
In
My
fact,
lord, let
Lordship,
it come
because of
on
his-
some other day.
Lordship,
That's why, my
because
lord,
of his non-appearance, Lordship, authority is now contemplating to proceed expert.
Expert. That will again trouble you. You are in the stage of this.
let it
If
be
there
by,
is nothing, finish it off.
let it be by next
He
week.
gets
my-
pension. He's entitled to pension.
Yes,
Huh?
GMC, yes. MC, they are, yes, I think.
If you want before vacation, I can do that. Then at least after vacation, Bihu, Mag Bihu, you can have
No, my lord, let
peacefully.
it come after Magbi. Let it be.
4 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Sikri.
My lord, item number 30 and 39.
Hmm.
My lord, in the review application, I will file an additional affidavit.
39,
39.
40.
Yes, my lord, additional affidavit will file, my lord.
Mr. Ashish, Learned Counsel for the petition submits that he be granted 4 weeks time to
Now, my lord, 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file additional affidavit in the review petition. In the review petition.
My lord, yes.
In
We'll
the
file an
review
additional
petition
affidavit.
number 45/22. Prayer accepted, registered to list this matter after 4 weeks. Mr. B.D. Das, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the respond number 1, 2, and 3, does not object to it.
No, I'm with Mr. Soikan.
Oh, you're with Mr. Sir.
Both of us.
Okay.
Let it come on January, my lord. They filed a review petition.
After 2 weeks, so it'll. Yes.
May I please, Lordship, in respect of item number 41, 41 has already become infructuous. Because their Lordship, they have already recalled the order of dismissal from service. 42 remains. In 42, government has not filed their affidavit in opposition till date.
41,
41 has become infructuous.
Mr. You're Mr. R.
Bora.
Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that during the present writ petition has, during its pendency, rendered infructuous. So accordingly, he prays that the matter be closed as having become infructuous. Prayer accepted, matter stands closed. The writ petition stands closed as having become infructuous. 42, registry to list this matter after 4 weeks. The respondents are at liberty to bring on record their stand by the next date of listing, by way of filing an affidavit before the next date of listing. Full stop.